on your playbill, if you flip it open, on the left side, there's a little scan code thing, yeah? So if you take your phone and you just open the camera it'll give you a little link. On that is the education guide where you can look at all these beautiful artwork that's on the set. You can read articles about how we built the set, scholars about, the different topics that are covered, about blood quantum, about hana, all these different amazing things. So please take a look at that before, not during, but after the show, perhaps, yes. Yeah, I think that's it. And I'm just gonna keep babbling on. So instead, I'm going to invite my beautiful friend to explain to us about what Hoʻoilina is all about tonight. She is the CEO of Mahalo Airlines. She is the famous stewardess that works all the tarmacs from Hana, Wailuku, and Budapest. Please give it up for my BFF for life, Ms. Hoʻoilina Platinum. Come on now, give us a twirl. A little more, please, a little more. Yes. We're filming our show tonight, so if you can be as loud as possible, that'd be very good, including, one more?
One more time.
There we go, that sounds better. Take it away, Miss Hoʻoilina Platinum, Auntie P.
Mahalo nui. Aloha mai kako. Let's try one more time. Aloha mai kako. All right. Aloha, my name is Miss Hoʻoilina Platinum, darling. And if you want to learn how to get some Hoʻoilina Platinum member rewards, there's plenty kind ways. First way is money. So if you can take out your wallets right now. I accept cash, I accept Venmo. You look like you get plenty money. Where's your wallet? I'm kidding, I'm not. I'll take the money right now. Money. Hele mai. Aloha, you guys look so pretty. Oh my gosh, she really giving me money. She already my favorite. You're already my favorite. We'll just put that right in there. So yeah, take notes, kid. That's how. We're just getting warmed up. Some of your faces look so shocked to see one beautiful queen in front of you. By a raise of hands, how many of you expected to see one beautiful queen in front of you today? Oh, about 10 of you. Right on. I love the shock factor of it all. Yes. And aloha, welcome. Where's your seats? We all looking. Oh, over there, your seats, first row, and Raja. Aloha, welcome. You guys look beautiful. Not as beautiful as me, but still beautiful. Just kidding, I'm not. So I want to get to know some of you folks. Let's just bala'au kukakiki, talk story a little bit. I see one tita back there. I think it's Wahine ʻīlikea herself, Miss Puna. Try wave for everybody. Yeah, that's Wahine ʻīlikea herself. She's from Molokai. Give it up for her. Oh, and who that next to you? I think that's my boyfriend. Wait, what? What you doing with him? There's not one Punalua, okay? Just kidding. I'm not. Okay. And we get the cameras here tonight. Give it up for the camera crew. Yes. Aloha mai kako. Okay, yes, so camera crew, I just have some notes for you folks, okay? Just zoom in, but not too close. Make sure that if I'm on stage, just me, no need to see anybody else, okay? Yeah, but make sure I look good, okay? So if you need to throw on one filter, then throw on one filter. I'm kidding. I'm not. You think it would get old, but it really doesn't. Oh, she thinks it got old. It's okay. It got a little old, maybe. Anyway, what I want to do with you guys right now is let's practice laughing, because I feel like we can warm up with some laughing, okay? Everybody laugh. A little bit more like me. Okay, we're going to warm up a little bit more with that, okay? Now everybody, I'm drooling. Let's practice crying, okay? Everybody cry. Oh, away. You know, it's been a long time since we've been to the theater. So sometimes we feel hila hila, we feel shy, for react, for laugh, for cry, for fut. No fut. Oh my gosh. Why are you futting in the theater, Mary? Oh, just kidding. I'm not kidding, actually. Do not fut, okay? But yes, I want to just warm up the space. Make sure we feel good for laugh, for cry, for gasp, whatever kind, okay? This show is called Hoʻoilina. Can we say that together? Hoʻoilina. Hoʻoilina. Now there is an okina in the middle of those two O's, okay? So Hoʻoilina. Let's try one more time. Hoʻoilina. Yeah, I feel like when song contest director, yeah, giving you the okinas over here. Okay, let's practice. Makoko. Ooh. Oh, I can tell about 3 of you went to Kamehameha. The rest of you, poor thing. Nah. Only joking. Anyway, this song. You want a song? Oh, don't make me sing. Don't make me sing. Oh, stop that. Oh, you guys. Okay. What song do you like? Suggestions? Come on from the crowd. Which one? Oh. Okay, Believe My Share. That's a great one. Let me look at myself. Oh, okay. Do you believe in love after love, after love, after love, after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. No. Do you believe in love after love, after love, after love, after love? That's enough. Mahalo nui. So this show is called Hoʻoilina. Does anybody know what that word means? No, not Lena Girl. No, not Lena Robbins Tamure. She stayed on the Big Island with Mary Monarch. Hoʻoilina, any guesses? What does that word mean? Inheritance. And that was you again. Oh, she gave me the dollar and she know what Hoʻoilina means. Stand up, girl. Give it up for her. She aka mine. Yes, inheritance. Oh, yes, another guess. Legacy. Now there's a leg I see. Oh. Sorry, that's for after the show. Yes, legacy. Now, Mina, no, but my ma, she went alahe. And so my ohana is gathering here today in our beautiful hale to read the will. And no tell them, okay? My ohana, they don't know this, but I probably gonna get everything. But when it happens, just act surprised. But we did really love our ma, and she left such a beautiful legacy for us. And so today, that's what the story is gonna be about. We're gonna find out what everybody gonna get. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. And you know, I heard in the will that Ma knew some of you in the audience. I mean, I don't know. I don't recognize a lot of you folks, but let me see. They was emailing me earlier today, and oh my gosh, my grinder is. My Gmail is blowing up. My Gmail is just off the charts, Mary. Oh yeah, okay. Looks like we get one of Ma's longtime friends here tonight. Oh, looks like we have Mrs. Ellis's structural engineer. Oh, Mrs. Francis Tadrina Palani Dwight. Mrs. Francis, where is she? Mrs. Francis, oh, it's a he, not a she. Oh, interesting name. You was named after your auntie or something. Oh, you go by Todd? Apparently you go by Todd. Yeah? Oh. Okay, Todd. It says here you're the whitest Hawaiian in Kailua. We have Wahine Ilikea over there, and we have the whitest Hawaiian in Kailua. Love it. We love it. Now that I'm looking at you, though, oh, Todd, yeah, I agree, for sure. You sure your middle name is Palani? I think the hospital forgot to write one G. Should be Todd Palangi. Oh, you guys, let's all laugh again. Yes. I do love to drag people, though, okay? So if I'm dragging you, just know that comes from a place of aloha, honey. Okay, so, Palangi, Todd Palangi, the whitest Hawaiian Todd Palangi. Well, at least you get money for Hawaiian chicks, for get Hawaiian chicks for like you, Mr. Architect by day, and St. Francis Sugar Daddy by night. You go, Miss Francis. I mean, Todd. Hey, listen up in Act 2, okay? You might get something from Ma, allegedly. Oh, look. We get one of Ma's favorite Waikiki wall rats. Mr. Kahanu Cuban in the house. Where he stay? Kahanu Cuban. Oh, aloha, Kahanu. Aloha. Yes, give it up for Kahanu. Give it up for Kahanu. It says here, Kahanu, on your Instagram that you're, look, Kahanu. Oh, everything was falling off for you. Mary, keep it together. Okay. It says here on your Instagram that you're a Punana Leo teacher, a wannabe Manaola model, a wannabe Keku Manu stunt double, and a self-proclaimed Waikiki beach boy. Is that true? Oh, that makes sense. You get the thirst trap photos. You know the kind, oh, look me, I'm shirtless, but one Bible verse is the caption. Yeah, well, exactly. Hey, we love that kind, Kahana. We love them. It says here that his last comment was to Manaola, please send me shorts. I'm an influencer, I swear. Sure, Kahanu, sure. And I hear you owe our costume designer one surf lesson. Eh? What about me? I like one surf lesson too, Ken. Okay, I'm holding you to it. How's this guy? His Instagram says he get one, what does this say? His Instagram says he get one long board, but according to Yelp, he get one short board. Just surfboard, you guys. Talking about surfboards. Hello. Just kidding. Hey, listen up and Act 2, okay, Kahanu? You just might get something. Mahalo, Kahanu. We get one. What is that? The rib leg? Oh, the third leg. Yes, the third leg, honey. Watch out for that. We get one more of Ma's drag daughters tonight. Mercedes-Benz, the Haleali'io Wahiawa. Oh, Miss Third Leg herself. Aloha. Where are you, girl? She right here, yeah. I can tell because every time she look at me, I feel like I get 4 eyes staring back at me. 2 over here and 2 over here. Pew, 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 pew. Yes. How you, girl? You know this one? She know how to make kala, yeah? She get 'em. She make really pretty kind momilani jewelry for the gods. Bonsai babes, yeah? That's the one. Bonsai babes. Look 'em up. Go check 'em, go. It's the only thing going for her after her short career on America's Next Top Māhū. You guys been watch that? Only had 1 season. I was the host, and I remember because she was the first one eliminated. Yeah, I remember so well. You know, I was standing up there, and I had the photos in my hand, like Tyra Banks herself, and I said, in my hand, I have the photo of a Māhū who is beautiful, talented, amazing, smart, and successful. The photo is not of you. Oh, mahalo nui you folks for letting me warm up the crowd. You guys so sweet. Now I only have one request / demand as I exit. Applause. Yes, Mary, I aking tagas to uyagas and the eat sagas. Try ho'olo a little bit, cause this Māhū get plenty important kind things for say, okay? Au hea o ko e nā kāne lakalani, e nā wāhine manalani, a me nā Māhū mai kia hupua alani o Bethel and Hotel Streets. Aloha mai kākou! When someone say aloha, you better say them back, eh? Aloha mai kākou! That's better. Welcome to the Ellis Estate, the the artist formerly known as Kennedy Theater. I am Nane, the estate manager.
And I am Noi, Mrs. Ellis's executive assistant. Nane, no ke hala oi ho mai ʻōlelo ma nguo ko la ko hoʻi ana mai. Ahoka. Please excuse the mess on stage. We weren't expecting you to be here so soon. In the meantime, Mrs. Ellis has very strict house rules, so please ho'olohe pono. While you are in her hale, face masks must cover your nose and mouths at all times. She forbids any eating, drinking, recording, or photography of any kind. And finally, she does not allow any use of cell phones or electronic devices that emit sound or light. So at this time, please hand over all of your devices to me, right now. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Give me your devices now. Now, no!
Let me handle this, Noi. Aloha, I'm Danny, Ma Chef. And no need hand over the devices, just make sure you turn them off all the way. Black screen kind. I don't like hear your utu bang bang ringtone while I chanting, okay? Oh, no forget your Apple Watch too. Turn them off. But by every time you look at the time, it should get lit up and make you look like the Honolulu City lights. And kind of rude looking at one screen when you're visiting the family, yeah? No worry, can text your booty call or baby mama during intermission, okay? Speaking of intermission, Kalai, try take the next part.
It's Nick now on a K. Hi, thanks for choosing Ellis Realty. Your appointment with us will be about 2.5 hours with a 15-minute intermission. Ma says if you are in need of a large print program or assisted listening device, please see a house manager. Oh, and please take the time now to locate the nearest exit just in case we need a dash if my family gets too crazy. Oh, it's the office. Ekalamai, I'd love to be present with you all right now, but I just have to take this really important call. Kaleo, could you cover the land acknowledgement for me? Thank you so much.
Sure thing. As we embark on this production, let us take the time to acknowledge Hawaiʻi as an indigenous space where the descendants of the original people are today identified as Kanaka Maoli. We recognize that it was through coercion, force, and the breaking of formal treaties that this land was illegally seized. Her Majesty, Queen Liliuokalani, temporarily yielded the Hawaiian Kingdom and these territories under duress and protest to the United States to avoid the bloodshed of her people. Let us further recognize and express gratitude for the generations of Aboriginal Hawaiians and their knowledge systems that have shaped and continue to shape Hawaiʻi in a sustainable way that allows us to learn here today. Kaimana, my Hawaiian is a little rusty. Will you take the ōlelo section?
Oia, o ka aino ke kula nui o Hawaiʻi ma Mānoa e noho nei. Aia no ia ma ke ahu puaʻa o Waikiki, ma ka moku o kona, ma ka moku puni o ahu, ma ka pai aino o Hawaiʻi. O ke ia hale keaka o Kennedy Theater, aia no ia ma waino o Kaualaʻa, Wailele a me Waʻahila. Ma kai, aia o ka Ākea, ma ke komohana o Puahia Lau o Pilipili. Ma uko o kokako kahua kula, aia o ka hoʻiwai, o ke poʻowai o kokako ka Hawaii nui o kāniwai. E hoʻohanohano ia no nā wahi pano Mānoa nei ma o ka hoʻomaopopo ana i nā ino aina a me ka iki ana i nā pilina o nā Kanaka Maoli i ki ia aina nei.
Oh, and one more thing, yeah? I know it's been a while since we've been back in the theater, so don't forget, this one comedy, yeah? We like hear you laugh, scream, gasp, cry, whatever law. So if you think the jokes is funny, you better laugh, okay? And if you don't think it's funny, then you poor thing. Kidding. I'm not.
Mahalo I ko o ko ka ko ana mai ka hana keaka Hawaiʻi. E nani a pū mai ka ko ia Hoʻoilina.
No, e ka ua lili le ua, kumaku ai hikalei kokoula. Ka paula ia I ka noi kolo. Kokolo ka wai maka I kui lei e ku piki o I te hukai. Kai leo nui e hoe ne maunei. Ke kona ne aka mahina. Ku mama, ku me aloha Au e ku aloha pau ole a o e ku maku e ne a o ka aloha ka lai ka olu ni boi ka makani lolo ku moku ka pawa I ka lai kina ku te hui ka moana ko I awe ka mako ka opu ke nihia e la mau ka o ka ne ka hiko mamala I ka olino ku mama ku me aloha Wahala. Mama?
Stabbing at me just like a dog.
Kalai.
Hey, mahalo nui boys for being here and getting this all makauka for the estate sale. We know how busy you both stay helping the lahui. Kai mana, your papa malama ena coming soon ya forgive ho'okupuet maski hapai, so just do what you can till they get here. And Kalai, brother, it's so good to see you finally taking a break from the office. You wouldn't turn off that damn killer pona. Okay, so we got 3 boxes going for Kulean, Ukana, still good, goodwill, good riddance. Go through these boxes and make piles, yeah? Yep, take it up.
It's the office. Kalamai, I'd love to help. Really, I do. I just have this really important phone call to take, and then I'll help. Promise. Aloha, this is Nick Ellis. Hey, sir, thanks for calling.
Ke la wahi inoa ho'opuni o Nick. E aho kona inoa Maoli o Kalai.
Hei ōlelo ia I kai a o maleka.
Yes, the Kahala master plan. Funny you mentioned that. I'm actually in Kahala right now at my mom's. No, not a bad time at all. Just a family thing I got stuck doing. I needed a break anyway. Mama. Okay, so we have a few contracting bids above asking price, but I still think we can squeeze out a little bit more for the 193 acres. Yeah, the entire redevelopment's projected to perform like Salt and Haleiwa starting in 2020. What? Hell yeah, let's close it. No, I'm not doing anything. I can be in Kawai Hot in 50 minutes. Yeah, oh. Okay, so KS just got offered double to fix up the neighborhood. I just have to go into town real quick to close the deal. I know, but I promise once I'm back I'll do anything you need. Hiki.
Kua hanoa ulukai, kua hanoa malo.
Ina mamake ia, kahi ōlelo no e awe imi wawe ka puke. Mahalo.
Kupa naha ke lele ke kōlea he ōlelo Hawaiʻi kua.
Yeah, you do know that pretending you don't speak English and wearing a malo doesn't make you the next David Malo, right?
Hume ia ka malo e lavi ia e ka aina o hao kale a ia lavi ia e ka malini.
Woki! Kalai. Malama ia ko kuleana I o a hoi koke I nei. A hui ho.
Mahalo on a K. And just think, if KS is getting that much, think about how much we could get if we renovate and rent this place out. You all could retire already. We just need to start with the upstairs, and then we'll go outside.
Kalai. Malama kuleana. A hui ho.
Kuleana? He kuleana ka ho kamakama aina e vai vale ai ka malini.
He kuleana o ko a ko o lua. Nao ia o malama aina e vai ai ka la hui ka ike. Nāna e kālai aina e vai pua I ka la hui ki kāla.
A o he vai o kāna, he wahi pepa ke kāla. A ole hiki ke hopau ia ka ike.
Lava, kalaloa kona ki pa ana ia nei. Ua ho ea na e oiala I ke ala, he menu I ke la.
Mamuli o ka palapala Hoʻoilina I kia po ka ki kāka I vai nā pali ka ili ka I āhai.
You know the rules. No talk about the will to Mr. Kamaka get here, but you guys all start scrapping about what you like to do with Mas Hoʻoilina. Hana wiki so you know walk into this hot mess.
Aka maino o ko a kiloi wali I kai mea ea. Na oe ho oe ke kupano o ke la me ki ia, maupopo.
Ai, maupopo e ke ali I wahine wahala ni nui ki, e ki eloa.
Hun?
Kani kolea he kanaka nu ka pua a he lapula.
He aha kāu.
Ma he ala ka lapua nei hale e ho I ka pua a ke nu mai nei.
Aho ka pala nai o, a he nai o ai kai no hoi.
He wahi kai kalohea oe ina maliu ia keia ina mae e one I Mary.
Oh, kai mana. O ki I mai ka auhili nalo.
E nalo ko kalumi.
E, mōmona, e mumuhana I mua o. He mele ke ia no kanalo eu ho uluhua no vau.
Mary nalo o oika o ka miki makika ke buzz mai nei. Na ue ho oe I ke kupuna o ke na me keia, maupopo.
Mamuli o ko pala leha ana. Ya, e kiloi wale I aku na me apau.
Ya, e kiloi wale I aku na me apau.
Walkie. Well, we just went to the boys. It's only been 1 week since Ma passed away, and you both acting like sister and chihuahuas across the street. Kuli and hoi kahana. Fun it?
Anake, kia hu he ana kia?
Lave mai ia une.
Oh, kena ano mea lave aku ia goodwill back.
A ole he puna hele nona e komoe.
Nā, te wahia vai.
Wahia u kana ke ki puna hele.
Puna hele, oh please Myrna, oe ka puni hele.
Puni hele?
Puni hele?
Oh yes, you know, every ohana get one. You know that one Princess Punirele who hele po aya ho puni ka honua just to make everyone think she's a puna hele? That's the puni hele. Ia, goodwill.
Ua polo le no o mama, naka pupuka maoli kalili.
Lili kai kia ha?
Ahu le ahi I ka ua noi o le I koko ula, a he lili ka ua pui o wa ahila.
Oh, oia ka. O oi me ke la vai ho o lu'u. Not even goodwill would accept that to a trust. Give it to me.
Nephew, can check to see if get more boxes in Ma's room. Mahalo. See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. We gotta be there for the boys. Don't make them about you.
Ale pela no ka, pela no ka. Now noi ho makai kia popili kia.
Na uka pehe la hoi.
Me ko alunu e ku e vale aku I kia aina a dashalina lahi no hoi. He pono kalilo ana o nei hale I mea kaula na loa. E la aka uho o la la no hale moi ya.
A hau hoa mau ia kako I ka mālama hale ana. A ole ka, o kona I ini o no kako apau, e holo mo mai ke ia vahi aku. Malaila ka pono.
You're both wrong. Ma like us stay here and ma lama each other. Mea ole ke kala.
A o vai ka oe o lolo mai ni nona.
Aira hi apo.
And
And Mawen ho'okama me first, way before the both of you, so I know her the best.
Oh, I malihini na e ka waha I kāna ʻōlelo, I hewa no ka waha I kona mana'o.
Oh yeah, Mary, just because Ma sent you UH, learn that ʻōlelo.
Danny, mai he
No,
hi Laila.
she like play high maka ʻōlelo, Kanaka fine, she can play 2K.
Waki waki.
Nane, akbe ime upscare. Nane, read her.
Wei, wale ua.
Nane.
Well, ana olole pe oi nei.
Oh, so now you like play the Kula Nui card
No,
too?
babe, that's not what
Kako
I'm
ka
saying.
oi kāna ho'opuni ana ia ma.
Ole hoi, if you just listen to me for a while.
Mama?
Ai, o ki ia kāna, o kahi o kāna mele pūna hele. Kau mai ka hali aloha, ko ka koho o kani pila ma helu moa. Mahalo e ku keiki.
Oh, ai. Kala mai ko ho pilikia an. A ole ka paio ana ko mama make make a o e kai mea kako I ai like puai. A ole ane. Olono I ka makahiki ki o ai maluhia kako. Ana ke. O manawa ne ka mahula I ao aku ai. E hula mai.
O wau, hua kala loa ko uhula ana ku nei a ka hiti hiti.
A ole oe, o wau ke amakua ia ni.
E a olu apu no mama.
A ale hiki ke la motivas ke ho'ole kahi hula. He aka mai oi.
I ulu no ka lalai ke kunu.
Oh, oi no, polole ka haumana.
He nahe ka ōlelo I ka pepe au. No ke hala oi e ōlelo Hawaiʻi mei mea uho kai.
Aole a kāka kahaina. Mai he mai ke nā.
O, ia pau.
Ai.
Ai e maloko lilolo ko na wai hona loli ua. Malihi iko maka. Mea ka koloko ki ai.
Mai vehe. Haavi.
O kia.
Mai ni ele mai. Haavi.
Ue ana ke ea kau mea huna mai.
O he mea. Haavi.
He mea huna kau. Hai mai.
Nā mama ka pono, aole nau ka pono.
O he mea huna o mai a kako. Ea ka koloko e kino iwi. He lei lili le hua mai kalani.
Not even Kanika T and Kanika Waha over there know about this. Nobody knows about this. I know can say nothing to Mr. Komaka get here. Maupopo.
Ai mopopo. E laua ni.
Shut you now. Okay, come. We go. Okay, so Mr. Komaka was going to bring this wahine here tonight to explain the whole ōlelo about her and Ma, but we never hear nothing back. It's one whole big story, but please, you never see this box, nephew. Promise me.
Ina pili kahi mea ia mama ua pili puho ia kako. Ea ki komoko hunaan.
E lua mau kumu. If they knew Ma get secrets and I knew about them first,
Ke. Pea ki ia. Ina vehe lea o ia uki ia mo ōlelo mamua ka upapa mala. E koku au ia o e huna I ki ia pau.
awe ku uwahi ke kie, I ulu no ho I ka lala I ke ku. Just put them away. A hui ho kaua makalumi ku ke nau e ho o lalau I ala wa.
Mary, he ka holo ke la laina pe nei.
A ole ka mero he mau hela ko leila, pei nei.
Hey, Myrna Lisa's, it's one lele uehe.
Alia, pei nei. Kai mana he hake na?
O ke la he, he,
He opala mai kona lumi mai
Ai,
na
ai.
ua kiloi.
Hi.
A ole, ho oia mua, haawi mai.
Oh, you're not gonna like that. No, I
No
trust.
ke aha?
No, come here.
It's what, Mary?
It's personal kind things, yeah? Kai mana.
Ai, he mea pilikino no ia.
Filipino, what you mean? Yaking like some chicken or in pagas or something.
Oh, exactly. Ma's oran pagas. You're not gonna like that, no, yeah?
Orn paga?
Kana mau ki'i pela.
Ki'i pela pela.
Oh, Pella Loa would make velvet video all shame.
Oh,
So if you don't mind,
Oyaka,
Cal.
no tell me get a couple Beach Boys in there. Alex, ira ki'i kohana.
Oh, ki'iko hana Ma.
She loy, Mary.
So if you don't mind, bye.
Alia. He mau wahine kaliki ano maua, a ole pela ka hana.
No, Papa Ellis, no paha. Vietnam. Yeah. So if you don't mind, we're going to chiloy her, yeah? Okay.
Alia. Ina no he mau ki ino mama, ai ano e ka nana ana a pela puna e ka kilo I vale ana aku.
Maybe that ele makule kahala nui could use them. But after that, gotta change the inua to kahala ko nui.
Woki, malama ia mahope. Ano o kai mana e huna me kahi palekana o ike awane e hai awe.
Okay, perfs. I'm going to help him start the cooking. Olua, work on those boxes over there.
Oh, mama, oia ka freaky wiki shara o what? He aho aku kana I me heu mai ai.
Ahuoi.
Ahoi, he sela moku oi.
Ahuoi, ka ōlelo polole no ke lapo ai a pili.
Oh, she swears. She's ke'eli ko lani makabalula. Kehele ia kaua holova ai hilo ea.
Oh, ua hoi kau I o Mānoa uka. He Mānoa noa mā uka hoi hewa ua pōla lo uli.
Ah, oia ka. Oh, he ke ia. E nane, o ke ia kau pahu no kau keiki puna hele. Mai no ho'olohe ko tita ho'o puni. Guest Ruta over here, not the only wonderful princess, darling.
Ele pio waha leo Kanaka. Oh, mama. Ia ko holoku puna hele.
Kohu loa ya pualani platinum. Oh, she's over the kauhale and true the kaupokus. Kahiko ia meka hina, I meka momilanis. I'ma be serving la woho for like a back Marie. Ameka mama mele puna hele. O makala pua.
Kalamai. O ke ia ane kau clown show, cause aole au ku'aili kiki.
Clown show. Oi ho'okahi look like one clown in this dress.
At least when I wear them, I know look like one velvet Vienna sausage.
Take that back.
Ua pepe ika ua ho'opoponi ili. Let me pretend I care. Ke lava.
Ana uno ke na.
What the hell happened? Ina o mai nano aku nei a olua. Hua e ka haʻaheo. Oh, mama.
Noi, e mihi au ia.
She could treat us paha. Ke o nae aka mikiala. What? Ua poina ika ela makule o Halloween ke ia tutu.
Mary, o vau ke kuini o pio tapu loa ke ia la nui. Na ui haku I ke mele kaula na loa nona.
He mele kokala helewi?
Of course, Māhū kaliki maka. Māhū kaliki maka is the only there for to drag and say that you not gay.
Aia na keiki I waho. Mahi ki kana ke?
I waho e o ka ipuka myrna.
What no ke aha?
Oh, Mr. Kaumaka mau no kona e leo miki.
Ole, hola e ono kana too early.
A ina no na e pāpe la pe ke ia mo kaki.
Aliaiki!
Okay. Okay. Okay la, Mr. Kaumaka. Hei, ka o hiaho na kaiuli ea.
He haka e nane mai ni.
A o hea unane he oia I o vale no ke la kane he no hea mai no ho I kau. A o lea nei.
Meh.
Mary no lie, you always Monica ha'ai a lale katua.
Ho'o mae.
Aia no oia ai like mai ho'o puni a Yesu.
Alia. He's
Ui.
Ui oia.
Ha?
Ui oia.
Oia. No leila. He elua hola ho aku kona I the nuts. Elua hola ho aku for kaumaka all over kona ku ono me he loko moko lati.
Woki. Ole, kela ano, nana kela ano kane ia une ole oia kau ono ke kai.
Mary pehea la he kanaka ua vai a o he ana bebe mama drama. Ka ikahi ma ke ia la hui. He tane he molele ia la mai te po o atahi u.
E vehe o ka ipuka.
Alia, o ke ia kou la laki e huki ia I ka ulua. E ho'olo he pono. Vehe o ka ipuka e ōlelo pono pēnei me na maka keu aka leho hoi. Oh, Mr. Kaumaka. Naka e leo miki ka lave lilo.
ōlelo o mama he hoa pono ke ia.
Miss Noi, a oleo mama maanei. O oi no ka haku o ko ola.
E
ho mai ke ola ya oi iho. E ho mai ke koa. E ho mai ka smiles mai luna mai e. But my drop the mai and hold it up. Oh, okay. Vicky. Ho ma kau. Ai ha pene. Haya.
Oia.
Okay. Ali. Vicky. Okay.
Oh, Mr. Kaumaka. Naka e leo miki kalave lilo.
Howdy, ma'am.
Mary, ia ko loina ho kipa mai upa I puka.
Ole kela o Mr. Kaumaka, you freaking baboos!
O vai kenaren.
He wahi malihini.
Ah, trick-or-treater.
O ia paha.
Oh, he ako na costume.
He haole hupo ma Waikiki.
Oh, lo akai keiki komolole pene. Love this hanau na ho. Ku e.
A ole. He wahine o ia.
Ha, like makua kind.
Ai.
Hello? Pardon me, I didn't mean to startle y'all. I'm just looking for a minute of your time.
Oh, a ole ke la he trick-or-treater. It's Jehovah's Witness. Yep, they don't even celebrate Kala Nui, but they still show up ke la me ke ia makahiki.
No ke aha.
Because it's the one day of the whole year we gotta answer the door, and they know that. Pretty smart.
A ole o ia he witness. He Hawaiʻi kahi ona.
Eh, lo ana witness o papa kolea mai ke just mean they get the witness protection program on top of that. Oh, Alia, na ue malama tita.
Howdy, y'all. I'm looking for a...
Oh, Mary, wahia koloina ha'akipa. Mai upa ka ipu.
Walkie, call the cops.
What? Roka pahi kapu.
Worse, la
Emergency.
Kela.
Kela aha.
Kela vahi kama atevas kewaka hevas meka mu'umu swap meat. Oh, she's punished. Ho'ehavali iaku vahi maka.
Oh, my Lord.
Exactly, call him and call him a kaila. Tell him the devil wears Ross.
You do know I can hear y'all, right?
Ne'e aku.
Todd, you said he Kanaka oya.
Kona hi
Oh,
ona.
that lole not from this aina.
Okay, now before I start, y'all gonna keep slamming the door in my face, or? Okay, good. I was about to feel as welcome as a porcupine at a nudist colony. Oh. Aloha, y'all.
Aloha, mai tita.
Oh, Hawaiian sounds even better in person. Aloha me, no, wait. Aloha me kakuo, 3+, right? For a Hawaiian girl like me, you'd think I'd be fluent, but nope, wasn't taught a lick. But me hapu, this ain't my first time at the rodeo. I've been leveling up on Duolingo to get me ready for the family reunion this evening. Woo! Pahoy hoy.
Ahoy, hoy.
I asked y'all's first, sillies. But if you must know, I'm doing just Maki'i. Thanks for asking. Oh, my stars. This is her house? I had no idea she was living this high on the hog. Oh, it's as big as all hell half of Texas.
Kala mai, o vai ka oe kumu mai I loko ka hala me ka ʻōlelo ke kono ia. Hui, o vai ka oe.
Vai. Water. Some water would be great, ma'am. Do y'all have sparkling?
Pehea mi nei te ia wahine hita wa hota.
Oh, gesundheit.
No.
He uala kahiki no konei.
Huh? Do I want to get naked?
She said you a little old for be trick-or-treating. I'm kidding. I'm not.
The candy's right outside the door. Come.
Yeah, just leave your pamphlets. Read the sign,
No,
okay?
I'm not here for that.
See, told you, witness. Okay, just leave your lovely little pamphlets right out there, okay?
No, we no need one piano.
No, I've been called here.
By Jehovah. I.
More like Yesu Cristo.
Oh, yes, Crystal. Who's she?
Oh, you know Poliahu. Well, that's her evil calabash step-cousin, third mother-in-law, twice removed from the Catholic Church. Hard ice queen, literally. No, take her communion, okay? Ahui ho.
No. Now hold your horses. I need y'all to listen.
convert, yeah. Okay, next year try send me one handsome kane, and I swear I'm gonna witness all over his Jehovah Lucky Lunny. Love. Okay, Yesu Pu.
Jehovah Pu.
Jehovah Pu.
No, please, wait, let me explain! I'm sorry. I really don't mean to be a bother, but I really need y'all's help with something kind of personal. I'm looking for a Miss...
Some kako o kaila. Who sent you? Not Ke'u. She always making me perform the Lord's miracles, her. Speaking of keakua, no say I never do charity work, Okay. Miss Pualani Platinum to the rescue. That's my drag name, Miss Pualani Platinum. Auntie P for short. Miss Puni Pipilaho if you're nasty.
Oh.
I'm like the luxury lie flat seats in the front of the plane. First class in any position you like me. Just press my button. Anyway, first things first. This foundation, sis, not your color. Maybe she born with it. Maybe she make believe. Tell me not, she needs some major Pualani Platinum member rewards like that, y'all.
So sorry. She's senile before 60. Aloha no.
Bless your heart.
Time for take your meds, Tutu.
O vau pehea la keia vahi hepa.
Hepa? wala uiwa happening.
HEPA, an idiot, moron, imbecile. Hey, you're not a HEPA. You're perfect, just the way the Lord made ya.
Get out. Kalamai, what are you doing here again, quickly?
Oh, right, I have an invitation here.
Invitation? Oh, now I get it. Kalamai.
You do? Thank goodness.
Yes, you dressed like this on Māhū Kalikimaka of all days. The Victorinos.
The Victorinos?
Yes, the only other Canucks in this whole neighborhood. Well, ever since Kawamoto Gate, that is. Can tell because get Dallas Cowboys on everything over there.
Hey, I love the Cowboys. Loyal to the star.
Hey, look, her Miss Method actress over here. They went invite this Kanaka to their costume contest paina, and she already in character. Oh, wow, lao, you committed, eh?
Costume contest? She didn't say to bring a costume.
Yes, you know us Kanaks gotta show these kolea what's up. That's why the theme the same every year. Wiki Mali Hine.
Nane, ʻōlelo hana ini makeia pule. Nane.
Oh, girl, you got the looks down, boots over the house macarellis.
Boots? Maka who?
Nane.
Yes, one Kanaka like you, dressed like this. At first I was like, yeah, 911, we get one kuku kokanaka nakalanai. Arrest her, Hawaii. But now, girl, you totally got me. You look so nails like a nut.
Nane.
My nails? So you like this?
Oh, love her. She's gorgina. She's giving me live, laugh, love. My hair, my K, yeah, ABC store.
Yes, on sale with the beads. How'd you know?
The beads? Oh, you get them down, girl.
Well, I wanted to embrace the culture.
Embrace the culture? You're killing me.
It's not too much, is it?
Oh, no. They're gonna love them, trust.
Oh.
So good.
Bless your heart.
And this hoopo accent, bless your heart. love this howdy hillbilly character. Yippee-ki-yasti!
Nane.
What?
Ma Vegas na Victorino Ākea pule.
Not. About to say mahela ko ukono.
A'ohe kono no ka mea a'ohe ana
Anapaina.
paina kolole. So.
Oh.
A'oia.
Pene kona ano maoli.
Ahe shua maoli no.
And I just went
Ho'elemu. Loa.
Loa! So when does it start?
Huh? When does what start?
The costume party.
Oh, no.
I need to find a costume and get all gussied up before then. I've been running all over Hills Half Acre just trying to find this place. Is there a party city around these
No,
parts?
sorry.
Dang it.
Yes, so sad. Well, ahui ho.
T, can try Velvet Video.
Oh, Velvet Video? Is they at a costume store?
You could say that, but when you go in, make sure you turn left at, no go right.
Well, that's all right. I already have these beads and this little flower crown. I'll just be a hula girl. Oh, I've always wanted to be one. And when in Rome, right?
Hea halakana I hope pukumaini.
What'd you call that, a hula again? A wacka malachini? Woo-wee! Oh! Hey, I like that. Let's turn it up. I don't know why, but something tells me y'all might just have a grass skirt and coconut bra around here. Ooh, would it be a bother if I took it out for tonight's rodeo? I promise to goodness I'll bring it back before midnight. Is everything all right? Was it something I said?
No, all good. Just ka elo kamala ma a ka pule ke kolea ai kukai.
Oh, that's mighty pretty. Aikukai to you too. What's it mean?
She means, Miss Nora Jones, she means we just went give away our last Wonder Woman kilt and matching Chi-Chi shields. Had one nada Miss Aloai, you know the kind here, right before you. You know her. I think her name was Ariel. Ehu hair, half fishy, half sissy. Seen her dashing down Hotel Street looking for all the seamen. No? You sure you're not the daughter? Try ask her for borrow after.
Oh, well, ain't that an interesting story? Anywho, I guess I ought to find some. What do you call them again? Chi-Chi shields? Some Chi-Chi shields for tonight. It was just lovely meeting the both of y'all.
And meeting you was ahui ho.
Oh, but before I go, the Victorinos, was it? How are they related to Mrs. Ellis?
Mrs. Ellis?
Y'all know her too?
Better question is, how the heck you know her?
She's the one that sent me the invitation.
Kala mai Alex sira.
I mean, it's a little personal, ma'am. Okay.
No. No, 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 no. Oi. Pulu keke. Oi ka.
What?
What'd you say your name was again?
Oh my gosh, where are my manners? I'm Lily Lay. Hold the applause. Lily Lay Hawthorne. From Austin, Texas? Y'all are looking at me like I'm crazier than Larrabee's calf.
Larrabee's calf? Who the hell's Larrabee? Oh, you're talking about our cleaning lady, Laura Botello. See, I'm not the only one who think her calves look hapai.
No, I mean Mrs. Ellis. She didn't tell y'all I'd be here today?
Kalamai, could you give us just a moment?
Oh, sure. Oh, take your time. This house is perfect for that new rich girl trend on TikTok, so I'll just take a tater and wait.
Uh-huh.
But no touch nothing.
Especially that door, okay? Pea ka whai kama aina ai ke ia ulala ya mama. Awaloa ake kalaka o hana ya yala. She's a creature. Ho'o kala kupua o bake whai's back, Marie.
He epa ho epa no paha.
Scammer in action. Hey, codfish.
Catfish.
Catfish, whatever. She's serving fish all right, but something's pilau pahilau.
Malia, o lohe na iole I ka hala ana o mama, a kola ko make e vai a kula noia. Mala maka ike Hoʻoilina. Ina he apuka mai kana, he apuka aku kākaua.
Ia oi e Mary Magdalena de la Cruz pehe o thou shalt not lie.
Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor, but no Texas mai oia. She not our neighbor. Nancy Drew formation, makai olu makai ino.
Ka uhame e puna hele. Keo hoi ka upikilima.
E ho'olelo yaini, o e ki iwo ke kulolo na ka malehini o ka hale.
Ke koena mai kela pule aku nei. Why? Probably get mold inside and... Oh, got it. Hui e nei, he mo kama'a.
Homo kahaha? I don't remember learning that one.
Your shoes, Mary. Leave them by the door. Just not one barn. Hee-haw! Oh, my goodness. Woo! Na vai ke kupu o nei ko lea.
Ai ka hua ko lea, ai ka hiki. Kala, my dear, welcome to our hale. Please, noho.
Oh, no-ho to you too.
No ho means sit, so please sit.
Oh, right. I knew that. But wait, what about the costume party?
Oh, don't mind about that. You must be hungry. In this hale, we always pa'ina before we pa'lau. Please.
Oh, y'all brought me a snack? Y'all are sweeter than an old maid's dream. Oh, what is it?
Our old maid's famous kulolo.
Taro and coconut milk. Not too sweet.
Not too rancid,
but just right.
Hey, I like that. They say the same thing about Texas. It's not Southern, it's not Western, it's just Texas. This is mighty ōlelo. Did I say that right?
Sure. Enjoy.
Yep, eat up.
So, you said your name was Lily Lay, like one lay of lilies.
Or is it Lil Lay, like you and female rapper from White Anai?
Oh, both are fine. You say potato, I say potato. You know how that goes.
And where does your name come from?
It's Hawaiian, silly. Y'all never heard of it before?
No, can't say that we have. What's it mean again?
A heavenly flower crown of Texas sage from Jesus. Represents both my Hawaiian and Texan heritage. Ain't that pretty? My mama, who just passed away this year, may she rest in peace, thought of it the moment she first saw me.
Oh, how sweet.
Well, the long version, that is, Hele lilile hua mai kalani.
Hele lilile hua mai kalani.
Exactly, wow. Y'all got that down quick.
Kohuiki me ko mama inoa.
Everyone back home at Texas gets their tongues tied up in a twist. Oh, bless their heart. Especially Daddy. He's so Texas, he thinks a 7-course meal is a 6-pack and a possum. That's why he came up with Lily Lay. Makes it easier.
So your mother was Hawaiian?
Born and raised right here. Met Daddy when he was stationed with the Marines, but then they moved to Texas when I was young. Not sure why, but I think something bad happened with Mama's family, and that's why I never met him since. She never liked talking about it.
Great. First she's Annie Oakley, now she's Miss Saigon. Shh.
And how much Hawaiian you get?
Oh, how much Hawaiian? Oh. I don't subscribe to that whole blood quantum thing. You can't put a number to your own heritage. That's why I don't do that whole 23andMe stuff. It makes you think that you're a bunch of watered-down cultures, so you can't belong to any of them. But I don't think my ancestors water each other down. They're just connected to me in their own ways. So if your birth certificate says you're Hawaiian, you're not half Hawaiian, not a quarter, not 33.3%. You're simply Hawaiian, period.
Wow. First she's Lili Kalei, now she's Lili Kala.
Pu'iwa, o kana ōlelo ua mana.
Ua mana?
Ua mana ka. Can we move on already?
Yeah, T, love the whole blood quantum speech, but just the pala pala no me natin care anyone write any kind nowadays.
O ya Hawaii. Paper is just paper. It's what you do with it that makes you Hawaiian. E like me ka ōlelo ea. Hopopo.
Well, I've always wanted to learn how to be Hawaiian, but I never had anyone show me the ropes. Is it that obvious?
Oh, no.
Thank goodness. You might find this hard to believe, but back home, I'm used to standing out like a pearl on a fur cushion.
It's just the old Hawaiian.
Hey, y'all got that thing queued up perfectly. Ooh, let me Shazam this little ditty. Hawaiian hospitality. Oh, and y'all are that perfect example of that kind aloha spirit. Ooh, maybe I should use this for TikTok.
Kela vahi ene hana ho o akamaira AI.
Vahi a kono polokala mo ōlelo Hawaiʻi e akamaira AI.
Whatever, she's everything but akamai. I told you no bio.
Akamai Alexa Lani Siri Lisha Mary Agnes the Third. Hamo. See?
What charming names. Oh my gosh, I don't think I got y'all's names yet. I'm so sorry. I'm just so excited to be here after all these years. What are y'all's names? Oh no, wait, let me try it in Hawaiian. Ovai Kalulu Inola. Did I say that right?
Vai, o vai ko olua inoa.
Vai, got it. Ovai Ko'olua Inoa.
O vau o noi. I'm Mrs. Ellis's executive assistant a o nane keia, her estate manager.
I'm sorry, could you all spell that for me? I'm a visual learner.
N-O-E.
N-A-N-E.
Got it, Noe and Nanny.
No.
Oh,
No.
perfect names for a perfect couple.
Couple!
Oh, this irritating diva. Hell no!
Nails lower. We siblings.
Lord have mercy, I am so sorry.
Mary.
Mary? Who's Mary? I'm Lily Lay, remember?
Never mind about that. How do you know Mrs. Ellis again?
Oh, well, I think she ought to explain that herself. Is she here?
Yes. No.
So she is here, or?
Hey, Nane! What time everybody coming over for Pa'ina again?
Who is that?
When make choke food, when by somebody get all hangry like scrap out of the time, talk story about the Will.
Will? What Will?
That was
Our crazy neighbor, Willie boy. She always say the darndest kind things. Every may X-nay on the L-way.
Huh?
Ipsagas or yagas, ipsagas.
Oh, no.
Huh?
Woo!
Nothing.
Oh!
Okay.
Huh? Oh! Never mind, I'm coming over there.
Huna kokeaine.
Oh, could you be a dear and get some candy from the bowl for me?
Oh, sure. Any kind of particular?
Don't care.
Regular.
Jehovah's
Trick-or-treater.
Witness.
Jehovah's
Trick-or-treater.
Witness.
Oh. Huh?
Hey, witness oya
Aka, she like recruit more tricks and treats for the church, so she would dress up as Yasu Cristo.
Oh, Mary. First it's light writing letters in Pidgin, now it's Māhū kaliki maka. Those buggers try everything. You know what they say? The best way for spread Māhū kaliki maka cheers knocking real loud for say when witness stay near.
Oh, I think Pukui said that.
Kapi henui.
Oh.
Hello?
Ooh, the kiki are here like see the cute costumes.
My vehicana.
Nokia, huh?
Because it's the witness, the Lord's work never done, you know.
I mean, but...
Hey, could y'all help me out here?
Get out of me. Oh. Mary, it's just one Hawaiian girl in a Howley costume. I bet you she looking for the Victorinos.
Trick or treat.
Oh, Tita! Nice costume. Let me guess. A wiki wiki malihini.
You know it too?
Oh, yes,
let's
girl.
dance, partner. Ooh. Oh, here's your candy, ma'am.
Oh, Malo.
Mary, uye one erhe.
What?
Oya ka malihini I ōlelo I aku nei.
Oh, ahe pupule oya.
He haole oya.
Same thing.
Oh, what was that?
Nothing, just saying the food almost pow, babes.
Y'all Hawaiians are sweeter than stolen honey. You even let your neighbors use y'all's kitchen?
Neighbor?
Oh, kala ya pulu I ka vai lohi o maleka.
She gotta be iterare for kamalole pene.
So Mr. Will, was it? I'm guessing you're close with Mrs. Ellis too?
Mary, who's Will? Wait, you know Mrs. Ellis?
Allegedly.
Allegedly. What's alleged?
Nothing. Lily Lay, this is Danny, Mrs. Ellis's chef, and my brother's friend.
Partner, Mary, aole kako maka 80s, although with your closet could have fooled me. Lele, this is my partner. I would say iconic, but still sound kind of the kind to the ear, yeah? You know, my generation never thought this could be one possibility. Finally, those backwards howlers got something right, Danny Bell.
Hololoi.
Wait a second. Danny and Nanny? Oh my gosh, that is so cute! Oh, that would be a great TV show or something.
Mary, it's not nanny.
It's a nane, babes. It's nane. But just call us auntie.
Oh, I love that. It feels like just back at home. Should I call you Auntie Noe?
No, just call me
Luahine. Call her Luahine.
Luahine?
Yes, it's one term of respect for someone very wise.
Luahine Noe. I love it.
Oh, there we go, Luahine. Puliki aku.
Come on, Nanny, join the fun.
Yes, come join the fun, Nanny McPhee.
No. You must refer to me as the sickening sovereign of this Holland Mary Queen of Scots, including but not limited to Scots, Olukais, Locos, Yesu slippers, Hawaiianas, the Nike slip-ons that the soles wear with the socks, and all the broken kind mail with the paper clip underneath. But you may also... You may also call me Queen Nane if you can pronounce them right, sweetie. E ho'opili mai. Na ne.
Kalamai. I never get your name.
Oh, Lily.
Oh, no, babes. This Māhū likes hugs, not rugs, if that's okay with you, babe.
Oh, of course, hon.
Lilile, is that short for something?
Hele lilile hua mai kalani.
Oh, hele lilile hua mai kalani. Hele lilile hua mai kalani. You? You have such a nice name, Mary. She's nani. Reminds me of Mama Ellis.
Oh, much obliged. Speaking of which, may I see her now? I'm fixing to talk to her about this here invitation.
Babes, you don't know?
Know what?
Well, Mama Ellis.
No, wait. Oh, makau-kau, kapakau-kau. Hoʻoilina I kaloia. Come, Lilile, I'll give you a tour of the house.
Oh.
Okay, this way. Watch your step, please. All right, lock this in. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Don't touch that!
Sorry.
Always the noise show gets somebody here.
Now and no homu every time.
And what you like me do, pop off every time I knew how with her. Look how far I got you. You guys don't even act like ohana.
No extra le'i me kaniela. I deal with her the way I like.
And what, I know can the way I like? No matter how pilau she act, I know say nothing because that's your tita. But you blast her all the time. But when I do them, you lele and kupale her and in ōlelo on top of that. So now I the donkey that when say something, you know can respond all kind fancy Hawaiian like you guys.
Oya ku'u ohana. I know can just huli kua her.
And ovailau ya oiha. I gotta keep earning my place with you guys.
Hololei oi. Mai haka kakau.
No fair. Ma always played this song every time we
Pakike la des. Come on, Danny. You gotta kapai kohuhuya une. It's the last thing I need with this whole Hoʻoilina and now this Alexis Texas chick or whatever. I know can think straight.
Mary, you never think straight your whole life.
True, but that's how an achne uye. Ease pluggers or give fagazi magas.
An anwagas and dishin kagas.
Okay.
Uye oine alake ya tita for iping re amames olohuke.
E oine alake ya ne o hell ne.
Ahuyo.
Okay. I going.
Okay, hoike mai. E noi, ua heva, hui kala mai.
But e noi, ua he. E noi, ua heva.
Leo nui. E noi. Ua heva. Hui kalamai.
E noi. Waheva, e hui kalamai.
Au shagas I wagas, babe.
Iwagas au shaka babe.
So, what's the tea with Lilile? Tea, right? That's what the kids say nowadays?
Yeah, look cute.
What's that, the tea? Like baseball tea?
No, tea mehe chamomile la. Come from spilling the tea.
Spilling the tea. Why I like spill them? I like drink them. But by somebody spill them, who gonna clean them up? Hey, you know tea kind of hard to get out of the carpet. You know, get all that kind of mess
Love
inside.
you, babes, but sometimes you two liquid nails, even for me. Sipping the tea like the hot tea when secret. So you nini her for kuka kiki with the 80s like uhe anchle.
Oh, kuka kiki the tea.
Mary back. And if you don't know the tea, you ain't sipping me, okay?
Oh, ōlelo Māhū get kauna, babe.
Polo lantries. And one day all the Māhū's gonna rise up together and spread her throughout the whole Lahui.
So what? We going to be one Māhū Lahui?
No, better yet,
one
we're gonna
Māhū.
be one Māhūi.
Yes. How's this one? E ku'u Māhūi e.
E ho'olu Māhūi ha.
Okay.
See, that's why if we get this house, we're gonna turn them into hale moi moia. And I'm gonna train all these muffies for be one mamafi kawa.
Mamafi kaua and restore the queendom.
Oh, remix. Mamafi kawa, she's boots lani.
I cannot. What if they just like you and no listen?
That's where you come in.
Okay.
O vau ke ali iwahine o oika I la muku. No, I la Māhū Palasha.
Okay, but not if Noi get one say she just like saw this place and be pow.
I'm not gonna let that happen. Trust.
Okay. Behel koma na o ya Lilile. We aikle her he?
Oh, she loa. Ma won't give her the art care.
What? Mom did? That's crazy.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
I know, but I don't even think she know what that means because she never even know Mawin ala hair.
Anything else we and we ain't fair about her hair?
No, pelaka noi hana nei makaho'okipa ana geta upske.
Okay. Behel koma na o if ma went out pay her hair on the way?
Ka, Miss Texas Toast getting something of Ma's. My kai.
Really?
No, I'd luku her. Well, if no, I never lepo her first, why? Oh, hola iha kea.
Lima, o vai ke la.
Mr. Kamaka, ke la kuka me ka pū kona he shmio mai ho'itau.
What? You know he always early.
Exactly, we don't like Lilile learn about the Hoʻoilina.
But if she gets a card,
No,
then...
no. She find out about how much Ma's worth. She gonna get all kind of ideas, trust. What she don't know, not gonna hurt Hagazari Magas.
Okay. Ui, o hea ka poe o ka hale.
Alia, e ho'omaka o ka wala, ho'olelo im Hagas.
Mary, you know he the kind,
What the kind? You the kind, me the kind, the kind.
Exactly. The kind.
No way. Wishful thinking, oi.
Hughie, not married, no kids.
That's because he went busy lawyer. Ahe kalikiano. There's no way.
How much you like bet he DL?
Nothing. Nothing because I like hooking him up with Noi.
Sure, oi.
Sure, make a pee cool. Try watch this. No DL could resist. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Kaumaka. Naka eleo miki kalavelilo.
Nane. You don't need to call me Mr. Komaka just because I have a suit on. I'm still Kaleo.
But kaleo is so brada casual.
Nah.
Hea kena.
What?
Kena palewaha, you and dressed up as one doctor for La Helui.
Oh, this? No, I was just reading the news about that new coronavirus overseas. I figured
It's 2019, coronavirus. Ea no kako keola nei. Ho emi koke kela ilike mena mea ho o mai swine, Zika, Ebola, coronavirus. Now, Momona virus. That's one tutu a Maui.
Hey, some of us need that vaccine quick.
Oh.
I don't know. I just came back from Japan. They were very cautious about everything.
Come on. That's not the Kamakau days with the smallpox. They get them contained. What you think? They're going to make us wear that kind of mask for a super big amount of time and change the rules every other day until the virus go away? That never happens.
Oh, girl, yeah, and it gets so bad. Everybody starts scrapping and hoarding stuff they don't need for one cough, like toilet paper. Oh, girl.
Right. Okay, yeah, you're right. And as if when they do find a vaccine, people think it's like a tracking microchip or something. So to get people vaccinated, they're going to have to win them over with, I don't know, free beer and donuts.
I think some of that.
At least we know all the uncles and police officers gonna be healthy, except for the guard.
And the gout.
Yeah, right. And as if when the virus is at an all-time high, the state would still fly in thousands of tourists by the day. And package Hawaii is like a quarantine paradise just to make more money at the expense of their own people's lives and limited resources.
Whoa, that's a little messed up even for us. Too far.
Yeah, Kaleo, you think that would actually ever really happen, like for real kind? Nah. That's not gonna happen.
Now, speaking of for real kind, serious, Mr. Kaumaka, that's one serious Inoa. That's someone you like listen to.
That's my old man, Mrs. Ellis's first lawyer. Kaleo's fine by me.
He an established lawyer with one official title. Mr. Kaumaka JD. Just get one ring to it.
Okay, yeah, you're right. You know, an established person of your rank also needs an official title.
And what rank is that?
Tutu. Tutu nani. 6T. It just get one ring to it. Pehe komanao, Danny.
Might cut you for this one.
Hey, you did not just call me Tutu. And 60. We only like 5 years apart at most.
In what, Blanche? Dog years?
Oh, Golden Girls. I love that show. Pehe oi, Danny.
Oh, might cut you, Kaleo. I like that show too.
It's a classic, huh? Oh, classic. Hey, is Noi around?
Oh, yes, she's here. So glad you asked. Alia.
So, any word from Miss Hawthorne? I haven't heard anything since the initial invite.
Yes, you're not going to believe this. She's here.
Not in the kitchen.
No laila ane ke la mea ono I ka ihu?
Hey, look, you, Mr. UH Loyal, getting his ʻōlelo together.
Job perks? I'm nowhere near you folks, but hey, I'm trying to impress.
Oh,
anyone in mind?
Very funny. Ākea, no ke iahi e hoa o ana wau e ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi nui.
E ha'ahe ona o mama ia oi. Babes, e nana I ka papahele e lua.
He mana o mai ka kena. E ho'oki papono iaia ea o ho'ea hewa mai laua.
Ai, hiki.
Laua? O vai? Oh, na keiki kane.
Ai, na keiki kane, mauno ka ulo lohi kai mana makamala ka lai maki ke ena. E ko aloha.
Ole paha, hahai pulawa I ka oma o ka aina.
Pololei. O ka o mao hea. Aia ka vai I ke kānaka?
Okay, Mr. Kaleo Kalahui and Ho'oulu Māhū over there. E pi'i wau I luna I milari laua.
Pehea laua na keiki kane.
Oh, oia mau no makialo pali. Kai mana like make this place one cultural center for keep the lahui alive, and Kalai like make this place one Airbnb for keep us alive.
Oia hoi, e lua hoi uli ho o kahi wa'a. I think I see that at Velvet Video one time.
Nane.
Why?
Nane. E nana ya laua. Ano.
Okay, so you were saying?
Right, Lily Lake.
She's burning! She's burning!
Burning? Who's burning?
Kamea ai makalumi kuke.
Oh, I just started boiling the water.
I needed her dani nehine lumi kuke ano. Come on.
Oh, Mama Alice's famous kulolo. Hey, don't mind if I do that.
No. Never mind. Just go. Hurry now.
You're up to something, I think so.
Kai mana. Now no e ho a maui keia. Mama?
And that's the tour of the Ellis estate.
Goodness gracious. She gave y'all so much.
Oh, that she did. This way. Oh, look at these ki'i. Ma would take the boys into the kihapai and teach them to see the world as Kanaka. They're not Kanaka by blood, but she raised them just the same. You see that a lot with Hanai.
Hanai? What's that?
Hanai, adopted.
Oh, like y'all, right?
Sort of, we're ho'okama.
Oh, right. I'm sorry, homo what now?
Ho'okama. We joined this ohana as young adults.
Oh, how does that work?
Well, Ma has a knack for finding people just when they need her most, and our makua passed when Nana and I were just out of high school. We had nowhere else to go but our church, and that's where we met Ma. I guess she saw something in us and took us in as her own, raised us, did the same with Danny, but a little bit before we got here. Oh, and then these boys came, foster system. We all helped raise them.
Well, wonders never cease. Oh, wow, look at this portrait. Who's that baby with her?
Not sure. Could be anyone she's helped before we got here. Ma is so kahio, she'd malama anyone she could, but that got her into trouble with those who didn't malama her back. Stole money, ripped her off, that sort of thing. It's hard to trust anyone nowadays. This portrait might have something to do with that, because anytime we'd ask, Ma would say, "Mai niele mai." Don't be nosy, and that would be the end of it.
What year was this painted?
Mai niele mai.
Sorry, I was just thinking that it might have been her daughter.
No, dear, that's not me.
Oh, I know, ma'am. I was talking about her birth daughter.
Daughter, of course not. She never had any.
Oh, are you sure?
Of course. We'd be the first to know about something crazy like that. That's why she took us in and raised us as her own, so she only spoke ōlelo to us, even to the point of volunteering us to take it in kulanui. Most of us listened.
I wish I had that. I've always wanted to know where I come from. Y'all are so blessed.
Ai polole.
So when can I meet her?
Well, about that.
Do you think she'll like me?
I'm sorry to tell you this, dear, but Mrs. Ellis, she passed away about a week ago.
What? No. Oh, my Lord, are you serious? Yes. No. 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 No, no, no. This can't be.
Oh, there now. Don't cry.
I'm sorry, it's just, I've waited my whole life to meet her. After years of nothing, Mama passes and now she finally wants to meet me.
Right.
It was my last shot at $5,000. She promised she'd tell me everything in the family reunion.
Yes, you keep mentioning that.
It was supposed to be today. The day that I meet all of them. Oh, now look at me. Eating sorrow by the spoonful. I'm sorry, Luahine, it's just... I had a lot riding on this trip. I should go. I've taken enough of your time.
Well, I'm sorry. This is probably not what you wanted to hear coming all this way from Tennessee.
Texas, ma'am.
There's a difference.
Oh, for sure. The biggest thing is that Texas...
well, anyway. I know she'd be just happy to know that you came all this way to see her.
Mahalo, ma'am. Oh, but before I go, would you mind checking her records and such to see if my name pops up anywhere? It might help give me some closure or something.
Absolutely. No'oka Hoʻoli.
That'd be as fine as frog fur. Come here and give me another hug, Luahine.
Hope we find something, and no call us, because we definitely not calling you. Oh, kidding. I'm not. Mama?
Oh, one more thing. Can I ask you kind of a personal question?
Sure.
What was she like? In person, what did you love about her?
Oh, well, she's...
Kind?
The kindest. Had that smell of pikake whenever she walked in. That kolohe giggle whenever she finished a thought. And she loved to sing. She just loved it.
Sounds like my mama.
This hale was filled with her leo when we were younger. Akaka Falls, Sweet Sweeting, Akahi Ho'i. I can still hear her singing down these halls. Akahi Ho'i, Kahikina mai. Did you turn that on?
No, I thought you did that to sing along. That was you, right?
Well, she liked to sing, and you get
and
the point.
Her eyes.
Ōlelo. It's like looking straight into the past. Ancient, scary, inviting, sweet, painful. Just so much magic.
Yes, that's her. That's Mama.
Who'd you say your mother was again?
I'm here. Sorry I'm late. I just got an idea for the Airbnb rollout. I'm drawing it up as we speak. I really want to make sure my 3 on Ākea don't need to keep working after everything gets split up. Kalakalohi e li'u no ka'uhana. We all ʻōlelo on a K. We don't gotta keep proving it to each other.
ʻAʻole kākou I ai like pū I ka hoʻolima lima hale kalai.
It's Nick now.
ʻAʻohe o unana ke la'i no hoʻopuni no ka ʻoihana. Kalaloa ko kipa ana mai a pei nei kawi kumu mai ai. Pa'a ko alo I ke nā wahi ke lapana o maka ala awana I ka onohi. Ia ka mama I aku ai.
Aloha kauana ke. Oh, hi.
Howdy, sir. Who's this?
He's one of the sons I was telling you about, our keiki kane kalai.
Nick.
Kalai. O lilile ke ia he hoa kakao leka o mama, allegedly.
Oyaka. Ano opio ya.
Aloha aku ia.
Sorry. Aloha.
Oh, goodness gracious. First it's hugging strangers, now it's kissing them. Before you know it, I'll be having supper before saying grace.
Not if Anake is around. Trust me. He olu ke ia launa puana.
Oh, thank you. Same to you, Aho?
Yeah, it's a pleasure to meet a friend of Ma's, allegedly.
Oh, the pleasure is all mine. I'm so sorry for your loss. Your mother was an amazing woman, allegedly.
Thanks. Wait, no, Anake, you finally going this year. Wiki malihini.
Oh.
Oh, that's perfect. What time are we heading out?
No, ʻaʻole pela he pono koine ha'alele koke ana. Nice meeting you, Lilile. Get home safe now.
Oh, you gotta go so soon. Come on, stay. We're doing dinner in honor of Ma on her favorite holiday.
Oh, are you sure? Well, I wouldn't want to impose.
Oia ahe ona mana oi ho'okole ana.
Nah, no worries. There's plenty of food.
Sorry, it's a private event. You understand.
Oh, of course, Luahine.
Did she just call you Luahine?
Actually, Kalai is just here to pick something up before heading home.
No, I'm not. I'm here for
Yes, you are. Now, komo koka I ka hale a pa'a ka wahe, he wahi malihini ke ia mai kono wale iai nei.
It's fine. I'm sure Ma would have wanted you here too. Come on, stay. It'll be a good time.
I mean, if you insist. I'm always down to paint the town and the front porch.
See, Anake, even she thinks we should renovate the outside.
Kalai! O kuka kama ilio iki ka ua ma'o.
Sorry, we'll be just a moment. Make yourself comfortable.
But no touch nothing, especially that door.
Anake! So sorry.
Ui! E lako nei, ua mākaukau no ka poi uala. Na ka umauhau mānei kui awali. Ma ke pono ana no kako I nā lilo o nei kula kai ulu. O ka hola e hia kako e hui puai. E nā mākua. Au hea o kou.
Aloha kawa?
Anake? Oh, mai kai ko pale an. Ko uloa me ke kaniko le ai kukai.
Oh, ai! Aikukai. Pahoi hoi.
Pahoi hoi.
Oh, Maki'i, mahalo. Who am I kidding? Sorry, no one's here at the moment. Can I take a message?
Oi ka oi.
Oh, I'm not thirsty, mahalo.
E ka iole hele pela. Ki paku koki I au nei oi.
Papa want a Coca-Cola. Sorry, I'm only on level 7 of Duolingo. Could you speak English for just a sec?
Ka hei ni koe make au ia oi. Hela au ino ke la wahi ōlelo I nei waha o.
Yeah, still have no idea what you're saying. I'm just confused as goat on AstroTurf.
Aha.
Whoa now, I didn't think it'd be that kind of costume party.
He hala kau hana mani?
Hey, put that away before you poke someone's eyes out.
Mai kau wahi au. Hele pela ano.
You all right? Hey, there you are, Noi.
Oh, Mr. Komaka. Naka eleo miki miki kalave nilo.
Not now, Mary!
Wait, who is this Mary y'all keep referring to?
Never mind that. Just tell me what happened.
There's a naked man in a Tarzan costume trying to break in here. Stop doing that!
Slow down.
Why aren't y'all calling the police? There's a naked man with a weapon right in front of y'all. quick, hide. I'll distract it. Go. All right, Nicky Cowboy, you want a rodeo? Well, I got some Texas Longhorns for you. Put him up.
Oikaki hen?
Henna? Hey, I don't have a henna tattoo. That's cultural appropriation. Ugh. What are y'all doing? Run! Wait, what's so funny?
Kamain na kia pauhulu hope ya oko? Alia. Oi. Oi,
Kela hoa o mama. Ay, kela hoa no.
Allegedly. Wow. You guys aren't fooling around with the Victorinos this year. Hey, nice character work. That accent is like, oh, so good.
I beg your pardon, sir?
Wiki malihini, right?
Oh my goodness, y'all love this waka waka malachini thing like that. Okay. Oh, we should make it a TikTok challenge and send it to the Victorinos. I'll start choreographing.
That's a great idea. So you're a friend of Mrs. Ellis's, huh?
Allegedly.
Right. What's your name?
Kaleo, this is our house guest. Our guest, our house
Pleasure to make your acquaintance, sir. I'm Lily Lay.
Lily Lay. My kaike koho. They're gonna love her.
Kaleo, this is...
Come on. What's your real name?
Lily Lay.
Okay, we get it. It's the perfect name for a costume like that.
Lick that calf again?
Like that what?
Laura Batello's calves look like the Mary when inject them with the 1 pound lau-laus from Kuhio Grill.
Hey, you said it, not me.
No, I'm saying don't snap my garters. Who in tarnation are you, sir?
Oh, it's a group improv now. Okay, yes and. Okay. Howdy, partner! I'm Kaleo. I'm the lawyer that's gonna be discussing this here will with this here family tonight. Yeah, doggy. Come on, y'all. Yes, and let's get this Victorino rodeo running.
Hey, are you making fun of me? I sound nothing like that.
Wow, you are really committed to this. Kaimana, this your girlfriend, huh?
Oh,
Down, girl, down!
Wait, aren't the Victorinos in Vegas this year? Oh, so there isn't like a wiki.
Tene kona ano maoli.
Oh.
Lilile, this is Mr. Komaka, Mrs. Ellis's lawyer. Mr. Komaka, this
Please, Kaleo is fine. Sorry about that. Mrs. Ellis would always pull really big shenanigans around Halloween. It's nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Oh, I gotta get used to this kissing thing.
What are you doing? And this is Kaimana. Kaimana, e aloha kuyaya.
Oh, aloha.
Kaimana, he aloha he alo. Get up there.
What? What are you doing? Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to kiss you.
Not that kind of halo action. Myrna, no.
Myrna? Wait, now there's a Myrna? Is she related to Mary?
No, sit down.
Blame Kaimana. He pretends he lives in PCC's Breath of Life.
Yeah, and Miss Hugs and Honey over here like starting their new show. Now I'm your wife. You. Watch out.
Oh, Mrs. Ellis would have thought him looser than a bucket of soot if she knew I just kissed her yard man.
Yard man?
Oh, no, not yard man. Oh, now your outfit makes sense. The pole and the loincloth. You're the pool boy.
Pool boy! Pool boy!
Come here, wait. Oh, no. Kaimana is also Mrs. Ellis's son.
Her what now?
Hey, boy, you missed those leaves out there. Still lepo. No tip this week.
Hey,
we're not paying you to be one self-righteous mahiai. Get back to work.
Woki, paakawaha.
Pupu wahi ku o ka mahi ai au ka ola no ia kini he mahi ai na ka oiwi.
Awe, ke kini mahi ai o ka ua he wahi o pula puko ine.
Na ke kanaka mahi ai ka imo nui a pau ka imo e pi ka lepo I ka makani pua iu io.
Oki! Before I headbutt the both of you in front of everybody.
See, she's perfect for Bida Ila Māhū.
Men, right?
E mihi olu e a kako.
Nani ho maka? Kala mai ko ana.
Leo nui.
E kala mai e ka ohana.
Ua kala ia.
Wakandalia. Hey, that really works. I feel much better now.
Kalai, e malama I ke kapuahi.
E mana, komo kalole kupono.
Kupono ka malo iau.
E mai pane ki ko olai ko anake.
A ohe au ki ko ola, e noho I au ki
Kalai.
kupa a wale nei ki kupono ka malo. E like me kona kupuna. Ku e loa o I ka hokolo na o I ku ki ma.
Kalai.
Kai mana e ho'olohe aku iaia.
La pu vale ka ho, ka ho mea mea ana no ka lehu lehu lava ka malo.
E komo kalole aloha keia manawa.
Ka o ka malo ka lole. Aloha.
No mama ke ia hea kane ia kua ia
E
oe.
kako I ana no ki ia.
Kai mana, ke olu olu.
Ki ia wahi ohana.
Wahi
pea.
ohana. Na olua I hana ke ia.
That's
Na
your
olua.
fault.
Ooh, will he be all right? He seems pretty upset.
Oh,
He's gonna get it.
he kui nao he mo ole I ke kala.
A o he kolopa nana e une.
Yeah.
Well, that's definitely one way to start a family discussion, huh?
Y'all are telling me that was wilder than a peach orchard borer and an acre of snakes. But on that note, I really should be going. I'd love to stay for supper, but it seems like y'all have some things to mull over.
No, Tita, this has to do with
Yes,
you.
let
So,
me show
as
you
I
the
was
door.
saying earlier-
Adios ke aloha e lili lehua.
Wait, Lili Lehua? That's your name?
Lily Lay for short.
Huh, I guess I get that. Lili Lay, Lili Lehua. Wait. Wait, Lili Lehua. No way. Hey, Lili Lehua, my Kalani Hawthorne.
Yes?
It's you. It's really you.
It's really you. Who you?
It looks like you've already met. Isn't it obvious?
No, only thing obvious is he els ne ashen fe. Her name should be Miss Puating.
Wait, do they know? I thought we were
Don't
going to wait
know
until...
what?
All I
What do
know
you
is
mean?
Miss Paniola Paredes been show up here asking for Chi-Chi Shields.
Chi-Chi Shields? Never mind. Lili Lay, I didn't know if you'd be here tonight or not because I hadn't heard anything back, but I'm so glad you came. Please, have a seat. I can discuss tonight's
No,
proceedings. and
koe
then
ni
we can-
ha'alele koke ana.
Hey, whoa,
No, she's staying here. Noho, Tita.
Oh, no ho to you two.
Sit, Mary.
Okay, I guess I'm Mary now.
Hea ka whai hana nei, o vai ka ke ia wahine.
Nane, Noi, there's something you need to know about Lily Lay over here. She's...
She's...
She's here tonight because her name's in the will.
Huh? Wait, I done what now?
Wait, you didn't know?
Kaleo, where's your mask? I think it's time to put it back on. Paakawaha a little bit.
Nani, stop it.
No. Pulu keke. Ke ia kuka e kikilo.
Exactly. Kukai, I think.
No,
Don't say that.
that's not... Okay, go. Don't say that.
Sir, I hardly knew Mrs. Ellis. I only came here because I thought this was a family reunion.
Well, technically,
What you mean? This now one...
Girl. E laua nei. E launa pu me he lei Lili Lay hua mai kalani.
Last living blood relative and sole grandchild of Mrs. Sarai Ka'ua Lili Lehua Ellis.
What?
Allegedly.
Hawaiian paradise. Hawaiian heaven. Land of make-believe.
O he o ko, o makau ka aina ahi ahi, e paina. Lily Lay, I hope you're hungry.
Ka, no ke kole a wahine ki hana keaka. E kupanaha ki ana ki e kue ne ōlelo Hawaiʻi muo.
He kupanaha ko'u I ke olani ku lemu kole. Do us all a favor and keep that covered, cause ko huyo me kilo e I ka a pu'u pu'u.
A ahu ki lawe ki kapuahi elehiwa. Pānoa no o lai ahi ka la ko e.
Woki, noho olua now.
Oh,
Not you, Myrtle.
Myrtle? Wait, I thought I was Mary, or was it Myrna? I can't keep up with y'all.
Okay, so what I miss? Nothing important, right? Okay, so who's getting what? Ooh, not bad, huh? Wait, no. Did Ma give me everything? Yes, see, I knew it. Ma trusts me to look after all of us. Okay, so first we're going to renovate the upstairs and gut out all of that old stuff. We can keep the vintage Royal Hawaiian exterior, but contemporary interior is the key to compete with the hotels. Then we need to start thinking about social media and how we're going to package it all. Okay, this is usually the part where y'all start to interrupt me. What's going on?
Should I tell him, or do you want to say something?
Ma's alleged pen pal. Yeah, you keep telling us that.
Oine kana.
Kana.
Kana wahi mo opuna.
Yes. Miss Hawthorne is also listed as an heir to the Ellis estate.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's a real cattywampus to Mrs. Jones's.
Alia. Okay, o pula kana pula.
Ana vaila ni olopua a ohe ana keiki hana. Well.
Hoʻike ko kamanao. Ano.
It's true. My office confirmed it. She even has the kaleko hana. Miss Hawthorne, do you have the calling card that Mrs. Ellis sent to you?
Yes. What's so special about it?
It's very special.
I don't even know what that means.
Only family members are given that card. Everyone here has one.
Right, that's why Ma wouldn't give her one. Sure, she's the real deal.
Alia, uye une ba urhe des ohe I'm te. She's ho'opuni back.
Ma knew it would cause all kind of trouble if I said something. Call my babes, I wanted to tell you this whole
Ua haia ka oi makahi o upehela.
Ai kola kaino o oi kapuna hele e yana e.
Okay, pause. This is a lot. Let's peki hope, shall we? Ma has a granddaughter, which means Ma has another kid we didn't know about. Let's start there.
Right, well, I was waiting for Mrs. Ellis to explain this all herself, but, here we are. Right, so, my mama is her daughter, Rachel.
Rachel Ho'olulu Ellis. Okay, so before you folks got here, Ma took me in so I could kako her with the mea aya. Oh, your grandfather, Papa Ellis, he passed away in Vietnam a while ago, and your Ma had you, so she needed all the help that she could get. Oh, babes, Ma loved you so much, always holding you and singing to you. Please know that this had nothing to do with you, okay? Ma just never liked Lilile's dad because of the military, when remind her too much of losing Pops because of the war, and she never let Rachel go through the same thing. But Rachel no can help who she love. This ohana we all put opa'a, especially the wahine. So her and Ma went hakaka all the time until one day Ma said she never liked see her again, and Rachel finally went, listen. She dashed with you and your dad one night, bringing everything with them. We never even knew where to look. Anyways, years passed, we never hear nothing back, so Ma went ha'avipio and chiloi, all her stuff, made us swear never to say nothing about this again. It was too much eha.
Until your father finally reached out to inform her that Rachel passed away this year. That's when we found out where you've been and how to contact you.
Wait, so Daddy told her? So that's why he wanted me to come here.
It was a big wake-up call for her, and that's when she decided
to meet me out of the blue for a family reunion?
Yes, a surprise family reunion to meet, well, everyone here.
Wow, all right. I think I smell what you're stepping in.
Sorry, you can smell that.
Oh.
No. What I'm saying is, y'all are my family she was talking about?
Yes. She meant to introduce you, but she got sick quickly after she sent that letter. So she made a last-minute change to the will to include you. We've been trying to contact you with the number on file, but we never received an answer.
Oh, right. You were calling my old phone. I changed my number last month.
Well, how'd you know if I come here then?
This letter. She gave me the card, a date, and the address. It said she wanted to apologize in person and that she'd answer all my questions if I showed up today here in the flesh. So here I am.
And so here we are.
Wow, I can't believe it.
Can't believe what?
Ma, she went back po, and yet she's still pulling her classic Halloween pranks on us. I gotta say, this is the most convincing out of all of them.
Kalai, this is not
Oh, come on, Ma, having a secret kid that none of us knew about or could contact this entire time. I mean, really?
Vahiata elepaio ua Ākea Ākea vahahe.
Right. And somehow you kept this life-changing secret from us until the will reading. There'd be no way you'd keep something that big from Monica and Nane, and Monica and Noe would have found it on her own by now. Yeah, exactly. I got it. Ma knew we'd hooky about the will, and so she pulled the biggest stunt of her life. Well, technically afterlife.
She like make us all bust laugh and ho'ona o ko'a popio. So she would hire one actor for juke us. I mean, I'm not sure why Ma went through the community theater for this one, but that explains Miss Paliku Kelly Hu over here.
Sorry, hate to be a yellow jacket in the outhouse, but they're telling the truth here. I'm her actual granddaughter.
Hey, look her, she's still in character. Okay, Lava Mary, we're gonna put in one good word for you at Diamond Head.
Excuse me, Puhi Ulani Platinum? She's telling the truth.
Yeah, I know. Mama Ellis loved her pranks, but this is not one of them.
And classic Ma, she volunteered Kaleo and Anake Danny to play along so it's more believable. Unreal.
Alia, ike kako ka pupule o ko la ua ala kuhi ana ea. A ike pu ia ka pupule o ka la ua mo ʻōlelo pahola mini. Kako ka ke ia ya la ua ne.
Mahalo.
A ole ʻōlua o la ua ne. O hoʻokolo he valilo ke vehe pono ia ke ia po ai a pili kupa naha, and I mean. Okay, Ma. Okay, Kaleo. Okay, Paliku Kelly Hu over here. Ua eo ma ko ia oko. Paʻipaʻili, Ma.
Bravo!
Are y'all clapping for me? Does this mean y'all want me to be part of your ohana?
Yeah, sure. All the Hokey Pokey Awards or whatever to you, team.
No, please, let me explain. I can...
Ahe ona mai na oi hoʻokolea. O kako kono ohana Maoli, and I mean, come on. Ke ia waka malichini. Ma would never. Akamere ai. Ho'okani ia hula lolo. Hua e ka ako o kako e like me koe ala make.
Oh, it looks like we're starting the TikTok now. Oh, this will make a perfect POV.
Stop that.
All right, Waka Molichini challenge, y'all. To me, Ma.
Okay. Mary, what is that?
Okay, Kaleo, me ko oia i'o. Out with it.
Yeah, Kaleo, come on, out with it.
Out of the closet already, Kaleo. I mean, out with it.
O ko oia i'o Maoli ke ia. This is not a joke.
Y'all are telling me. This will go viral on TikTok faster than a sneeze through a screen door. All right. Hashtag Ohana means family. Hashtag Aloha spirit. No. I read if you use this one, everyone will think you're a true local. Hashtag lucky we live Hawaii.
Yeah, I heard about that one.
He oi i'o no kalako, oi ni no kana maupuna Maoli.
Ma even got Mr. Serious Sovereignty in on it this time. I can't.
O ke ia ka wai, hoi ke ia ku ai ka oi i'o.
Right. Yeah, okay, let's just say this is all real, all right? Where's the evidence? We're just supposed to take your word for it?
She has the letter and the card.
You don't have pictures? Baby photos?
No, not any before Texas. I guess my mama threw them out like Mrs. Ellis did.
Alia, e ki ia oi kahi mea, iki ia na no.
He hakane ki mai.
Try wait, you'll see.
Hey, maybe while we wait, let's get Ma Coco for the reading, huh?
Ole. Akahi, I know why oia ke ia oia i'o. E ho'oholo ke ia hala vai.
Wo ho'one ane oi ke la mea. Aole hiki ke imi ia loa.
What? Sure, oi.
Ke la mea here.
The oxbay from earlier scare.
What oxbay? Alia, Ma's porn box.
Porn box? No. There's no porn box. No, stop.
What the hell her ki'i kohana got to do with this chick?
No ki'i kohana. No.
Wait, Ma had nudes?
No. She didn't have nudes.
I'm out.
Yeah, Danny, I don't know where you're going with this, but that's really
Hama. They're not Ma's nudes. Oh. The last photo she kept of her and Lilile, I only said that because I never like you folks be all maha oi. I think I put it in here. Just give me 1 second. Oh, shoot.
No. What? Oh. That's expensive, Mary. Watch out.
Well, good thing I survived that, huh?
Yeah.
Anyways, it must have gotten mixed up in the boxes from the estate sale.
Oh.
Where you folks been put them? Nane, where you folks been put them?
Oh, yeah. Off state and the odds declare ready for Earth Bay.
Okay, well, if you want the oot trade, then art stay oking lame.
No, watch out. You almost broke the other one, so just watch out. Oh.
So that's why y'all didn't want me to touch the door.
Hey, no, look at me. It was Lyra Botello.
Hey, Nana Koki Kako.
Okay.
Not you.
What does the box look like?
Oh, la'au, about this big. I think had some writing on it, some label.
Is it this?
ʻōlelo.
How about this?
ʻōlelo.
Oh, hey, I think I found it. It says vintage velvet video. Is that it?
Oh, no, that's mine. Try pass, thank you. Not sure how that got in there.
Lapu vale ke ia. Eliuliwana no au kapo.
Hololei, it's getting pretty late. We should probably get started. Oh, I almost forgot. Mama Ellis included a personal letter to all of you that has to have something in there about Lili Lei.
Mary, why you never say that in the first place?
Oh!
Wait, hold up. He's a Mary too?
Allegedly.
Kalamai got a little carried away with this whole prank theory. It felt like the old days, trying to figure out Mama Ellis's next big prank. Anyway, before we get to this, I should disclose the will reading will be a little unorthodox.
Unorthodox. Eve mai.
We should probably clean up. It's really
Boys,
filthy.
Maka ōlelo ke olu olu.
No, what about Lili Lei? We need to include her in this.
Of course. Lili Lei, you too. Hoʻao, no mama. No uke kahi.
Hiki. Aia o kou a pau maka palapala. Aka. Koe ke kahi mau mea? Aole oia I koho pāina I noa no ke la me ke ia mea. Oi ai ua pākiki.
Huh? What happened?
No laila. O kāna kau oha ia o kou. E hana pū o kou me he ohana la me ke kanaka kupono no ke la me ke ia mea ma kāna Hoʻoilina.
Oh, hell nay, working with her hair.
Working with who now? Could someone translate for me?
It's about to be World War III, let's just say that.
Okay, you might want to sit down for this next part. We covered item 1 already with the funeral. Before we move on, it looks like there are a few items that Mama Ellis has designated to a specific heir. Alia iki. Aoya. Okay, item 2. I devise and bequeath my beloved Lehulu onto my beloved and dear Hoa, Laura Botello.
Laura Botello? How the hell? We just went to hire her last month.
Oh, that's strange. She has a completely different legal name here. Todd Palani Dwight. Well, in any case, the Lehulu is hers.
Hiki ke la mea. Who the hell told her she could have that?
Isn't that weird? Oh, it's Loira. She says she's trick-or-treating by the house and can see us from the wide open wall in the living room.
Aloha, Loira.
Loira, nice costume. What, you supposed to be one theater goer in the middle of a pandemic or something?
Ay, that Lole with this Lehulu, she'll be serving mine a bird, Mary.
Kalamai Loira, he's rude.
Mrs. Ellis says to pick up your item after the show. I hope you know what that means. I don't. All right, let's move to item 3, huh? I devise and bequeath my most expensive Māhū original painting onto Ku'upunahele Makamaka, Jason Momoa.
What? Manu Jason Momoa? How?
She never ho'olau na ia'u.
Oh, sorry. That's an N. Jason no more. My punahele, Jason no more.
I don't know.
Legal name is Kahanu Kuban? What? Oh, it's Laura again. She says, my boyfriend Jason stayed trick-or-treating with me. I let him know for pickup after the show. He never know you folks was even hosting Wiki Wiki Malihini party this year? What?
Wow.
Where you stay, Jason? Where you stay? Raise your hand, Funnet. Say something. I no can see you. Oh, over there. On that side. Oh, okay, I think I see you. Hopefully it's you. Hey, brother, what you supposed to be, the face mask or something? But what's with the Boro Boro pants? Oh, I get them. You the mask of Boro Boro. Right on. Okay, Daddy.
No. Who the heck is this Jason? Oh, Jason no more. What you doing after this? I like to see your Aquaman impression.
Or you like see my Aquafina impression.
Ha mau olua. Ahui ho.
All right, this is the last item before the discussion at hand. Item 4. I devise and bequeath my luxurious, custom-designed holoku unto ku'u hoapili, ku'u vehi, ku'u le poina makapoli, Raynell, mokulua lim, shimoka, de freitas, sing, kayapyap, belafuente, lafayette, Hennessy, hyphen, Wilson.
What? Who the hell is that?
Legal name is Mercedes. No last name given, no last name needed, it says.
Oh.
Laura says, get one Jehovah's Witness chick stalking you folks from the street. Says she came last Halloween and made friends with Mrs. Ellis.
I see her right there.
Oh!
That's the one.
Look her. She went dressed up as Yesu Cristo.
Oh. We don't need one piano. Mahalo.
Yesu Cristo po.
Said her name is Raynell. Oh, Raynell, okay. Please pick up your item after the show. Thanks.
No, I wanted that. Do you know how much that's worth? Hey, are you sure you want that? Let's discuss price.
Woki olua. Yehovah pu.
You better malama her or Hennessy-Wilson. Bambai, I call all 10 of your own Inoa or Hana for punish you. Especially
Well, that was interesting. Looks like Mrs. Ellis's influence was as big as Brewster County.
Right. Okay, let's move on to the final items, which are the properties and assets of the Ellis estate, huh? Now, here is where Mama Ellis has left specific instructions. To the letter, in this letter. Oh, Kalamai. I thought it was just 5 tonight. Would someone mind sharing with her? Well, hey. Guess not.
I will. Come sit with me, Lilile.
Thank you.
Hey, Ākea.
Nothing. Kaleo e ho'omo.
Sorry, Lilile. Most of this is in ōlelo, but I can translate for you while they go over all
Oh,
the...
hea oko. E ku'u hana o ke aloha maha maha. Ina oko e hello ani ke ia leka aloha. Ua halaloa no ke ia e hele I ke ala ho'i ole o ka po.
Okay, so this line is referencing the idea of po. It's a very interesting idea. Sorry.
E mi pu aku ne ka I kaika o ku'u ola kino. E hui kala mai o ko ia'u nei. A ohe o umanawa no ka vehe pono ana aku.
So that line only makes sense if we go back to the first line. We have to talk about po for
O
just
ka
a
mea
little bit
nui
longer.
e
So
ku'u mau
hey!
keiki, mai no o ko apoina ea.
Sorry.
Ua like no alike, ku'u nui aloha ia o ko pakahi. A o ko no nā pua hi ilei e vevehi mau ia I ku'u nui kino.
Aw.
She's talking about flowers being on
Ah,
the
oia
body.
ke
That might
kumu
sound...
o
Hey!
ko ole anai nai noa no ke la me ke ia mea o ko umau pono. Na o ko e ho o kele pui wa a ho o kahi me he o hana lai kai ku piki piki o. A pai pono I uka no ka vai hiki mai ana. E la a ka malama ana I ka umo o puna I malihini a o ko.
What?
Can you guys stop that for just 1 second? Okay, so there's a canoe in a bad storm, and the family's like a crew. They have to navigate this treacherous water all together.
A
and it
oia
has to-
hoi, ma
Oh
o
my
ka ko mahele ana I nā pono a pau ko Hoʻoilina. E ke koina hokai e ko ai kau oho ia o kou. E haawi aku I ke kanaka nui a me ke kanaka iki. E haawi aku I nā lala a pau nei ohana. Ai haawi aku I ka lahui e ola puai na iwia me nā mama.
What's that supposed to mean?
I've been asking the same thing here. Flowers on a body, canoe.
Forget
what?
it all. You just have to pay attention to
Aina
this one
aole
line,
hiki
otherwise...
a
Oh
o ke
my!
aili ke pu. E haawi ia na mea holo o ko ai ka umo o puna.
What? No lele ina make e ia ka aina me ka vai vai na oko e malama iaia me he mo'opuna la o ho'i ko ke awane I ko ulapu e ho'o pahulu ia o ko.
No.
No?
Ho'opahulu. Classic ma.
Wait, what's classic ma? I don't understand.
Just hold on!
Kaleo.
Nā kaleo e hoi ke ku maki maki na oko e ho'oko I ua maki maki nei, a nā ke kua e malama mau e ho'opo mai kai aku ia oko pākai!
Me
Me ke aloha, Mama Sarai Kaua Lilile Hua Ellis.
Koa Lili Lehua. Hey, that looks like my name. Oh my stars, I had no idea that we shared a name. And can someone tell me what the heck is going on here? Oh, y'all look meaner than a mama wasp and a she bear in satin. Was it something I said?
No. A ōlelo. ʻAʻole e hana me nei hupo. ʻAʻole kupono e haʻawia kahi mea iaia. He wahi malihini.
Aloha ino. Ina ʻaʻole kākou ailike e lilo o ko ano o ne iaia la. Pehea la.
Pardon me. Howdy, sorry, I don't mean to be rude, but you know, all of this is making me feel like 2 sandwiches shy of a picnic, so would y'all mind speaking English for a New York minute so I know what the heck is going on here?
Of course,
Sorry,
my
Lily.
apologies.
We
Oh my God!
Right, guys, let's not exclude her just because she doesn't ʻōlelo.
No, ʻaʻole ke la ko kākou kuleana. He hale ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi keia. A he wahi te o kolo koe makoe.
O he hale pia I ko hoi hoi, haawi mai a lawe aku no.
Y'all are doing it again?
Pau ka ho olu ana no nā haole moloa. No kākou ka hale, e ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi kākou.
You know what? Come here.
Maybe I should try Google Translate.
Nāna no, e ukai ma kukiki o a nāna no ka pihola.
Ei, make no he hāwawa au hea no ho ina lima e au mai.
A he mea o ia ka hāwawa ka he enalu.
Right.
Sit down.
Dang it! This thing is worthless as a teats on wool. It says they want me to drown or something.
Mistranslation.
You don't act like that to her. You don't act like that to her at all. Girl, that's Mazma Opuna.
Me ko ʻōlelo, mo kaka.
Oh, yeah. Oh, just because I never
Oh,
knew you ate
Malia,
like
Guys, come on, let's get back to business, shall we? We all know English. It'll just make things easier.
I'd appreciate that very much, sir.
O ia ka ue ʻōlelo nei, I mea haku ka ko ho kolonai ana ia kākou iho no ko hai ʻōlelo.
Holole, ʻaʻole pela e a'o ia I ka ʻōlelo.
I mea hala hoi, he wahi kolea oia e hoi wale I kahiki.
No, that is Mazma Opuna. Like
Allegedly.
You know what, Pau? I can handle just me, but you don't act like that to her. You think Ma would be happy right now hearing all of this?
Danny, Malia.
No, tell me from Malia. I don't want nothing from this wolf. It's going to make us act like this.
Wait, Auntie Danny.
It's okay, Lilile. It's not you. It's these brats that should be scared.
Scared? Scared of what?
Yeah, Ma said, if you guys not good to her about this wolf, her ghost going to come back and haunt you. She watching, Kay? No.
Danny, wait, hang on. We're in this together. We're a unit. We're a team. Danny, don't leave me with these people. Okay. So I guess that leaves the rest of us to work together, huh? I'll still include Danny in the results. Okay, item 5. Money. Money's easy to split up, right? So Mama Ellis actually divvied up her assets into 6 equal parts.
Oh, really? How much is that?
We're looking at about $1.6 million each.
What? Oh, my lord. I can't accept that.
Good, more for us.
Okay.
It's just too much. I don't deserve any of this.
Yeah, you don't.
Mai poina o ko Kanaka oha ea, e pono ka loa ana kai mea ia iala.
So that has to do with the next item. I've drawn up a list of all her properties, including this one. As you know, most are in Waikiki. But finding the proper titles is a legal nightmare. You'll have to decide if it's worth pursuing at all. Oh, Kalamai. I think the Kulolo isn't agreeing with you tonight.
Not me.
Ikalua keia. You know, I'll leave this here with you, and then you guys can go over it and have some time to discuss amongst yourselves. When I come back, I can it's coming out one way or the other.
This way, Kaleo.
Take
my
Mahalo kaleo.
Yikes. Okay, let me see. Mahea kahi kupono iaia. Royal Hawaiian Hotel in Helumoa, ʻaʻole.
Oh, wait, no, that's Keasaina.
Allegedly. Mas kupuna ali'i would say otherwise. Apparently, one of them never claimed after the mahele and had quiet title. Or was it the one where they went lose on swimmers to Tukahana Moku? It's one homo ʻōlelo.
International Marketplace? ʻōlelo.
Wait, and that's Queen Emma Land Company.
Allegedly. That was her tutukane kuakolo'ea was at Queen Emma's horse race. He would bet all his money on one horse named Mili, but never knew the full name was Mili Apa.
Oh, the zoo. That might be good. Get all kind of creatures. Kua holo holona.
But isn't that run by Kapiolani Charitable Trust, allegedly?
That one ʻōle moakaka.
Yeah, we're not sure. How the hell she got that one?
Waikiki seawall. Wait, Ma owns walls? Okay, how is that legal?
Ooh, walls? Where's that? It sounds kind of fun.
Oh, no, Tino, go over there. All the wall rats would eat you up real quick. Let's give her walls.
Okay.
Oh, pehea ke ala wai. Lilile, you want your own natural swimming pool right in the middle of Waikiki, 1.5 miles long.
Ana ke aole ke ala wai maluno nei papa.
Oh, but the natarium is just give her that. No one know what the hell for doing them anyway. Let her figure it out.
Alia, we're talking about Ma's sacred will and last testament here. Are we just going to sacrifice her mo'opuna just to make more money?
Aye.
Okay, good. Kako.
Okay.
Woki o ko, e hoʻomanao ia Kanaka woha, e haawi ki Kanaka, e haawi ka ohana, e haawi ka lahui.
Right. Ooh, Pehea Ka Taco Bell Pizza Hut franchise ma bought in the 90s. We'll just give her one of the
Oh,
restaurants.
yes, the kapahulu one. Mary's always changing. No more drive-thru, no more parking, always nails. Give her that one, yeah. Kupona na e aia.
E, pehea na e ko umanao no ki kukulu halau I ke manei hale.
Not this again.
Oia ke koho kai e koe ke koina.
Look, I don't mean to get in y'all's business or anything, so please don't consider me for any of the properties.
Well, trust me, we weren't.
But Ma says everybody needs to inherit something, including you.
Oh, really? That's what that was all about? Well, I couldn't possibly take anything big. Y'all are way more equipped to handle than properties. Would it be all right if I took something from the house, like a small memento to remember her by? How does that sound?
Oh, you gotta see.
Oh, hey, there she goes again. Ooh, I like this. What's it called?
As she strolls along the beach.
Mama's Moo-Moo. Oh, that's a good idea. What if I take one of her old moo-moos to remember her by? They're probably not worth much, so y'all don't have to worry about me selling them.
Not worth much.
Ooh, yeah, and maybe add in this feather crown too. That look mighty pretty, don't you think? Oh, and I love this art piece as well. Who's the artist? Oh, what about this feather Swiffer-looking thing? Ooh. Hey, by the end of the night, I think I might have a costume for the Victorino party after all. What do y'all think? See any resemblance?
Mary, you're right, and my werewolf coming out. See my hairline already. Get her tea! But no poo hair, no poo hair.
Oh, what tarnation is wrong with y'all? Did my Mima teach y'all any manners?
Never mind, dear. Pull her hair, pull her hair.
Lililei, come with me quickly. Grow up, this isn't about the will. Who do you think I am? Come on, Lililei.
First a she-wolf, not a poi dog. Break it up.
That doesn't mean let's hug it out, does it? Well, let's talk about this Ōlelo!
Don't call me that, it means old hag, you kahikami prolo!
Oh, no. Oh, goodness gracious! What the heck did I ever do to you?
I don't care for more food. I'm not gonna let you steal all this from us!
Oh, you've gotta see mama's new. Oh, you've gotta see mama. Oh, you've gotta see. Oh, you
Condolia?
Condolia, this!
Hawaiʻi.
yeah, that's what it's just like.
Mama? Mama? No, it can't be.
Ua lua hine nei kino. A lua hine pūkaho e ko o ko mau pepeo. Aloha ino.
Luahine? Hey, I think she's talking to you, Auntie Noe.
Mahea mai lakela?
Okay, this might sound crazy, but I swear I saw Ma on her holoku when we were cleaning up.
Wait, you went there too? I thought it was just me. Pea olua o ike puia ke kahi.
Ai.
Oh my God, Ma's back for lepoa. See, I told you nuka pua ahe lapula.
Kuli. Mali e kako, a ohe lapu o kahale.
Hela. Ua hele o kua maka po ke kahi. Mina. Kaino ua halalo aku nei ke ia. E na e ua ele makule ka umau keiki. A hota.
Gesundheit!
Kemele!
I told you whole bill king.
I did?
Well, apparently not Hana Ho.
She's not turning off. You're good at turning people off.
I got it. Okay, I don't got it.
Pela mau
Hey, Ākea.
No! I think you should see this. Auntie Nane?
Not now, Mary.
Not now, Mary. Myrtle got it.
E na keiki poho lalo.
Here, Ākea.
It's Ma. Oh, God, just like she said in the will.
Noi nanai ke la holoku. Ua opolopona ia.
Ole hiki. Ua hala no oi Ikea.
He papulu ke ia. He pahulu ke ia. E niki mai ia. Au.
Ai kola.
Mama, oi no niki ia.
Ai, o vau no e.
Ina pela hai mai kahi mea kako vale no Ikea.
Ua kuhi he vau ko. He mau ki I pela ka uma ke la pahu pehela.
It is Ma.
Boo!
Lava. E maliu pono oe ka ʻōlelo. Oho o pahulu ia nei o kono nā kauakau. Mau popo. E nane e papakau I ka ena. He ke kapa noi lena akawahine. He olani. Pehea ka olua e malam ole aku ai ko umupuna. Pela ane olua e mahalumi nei ko makua hine. Che!
Kala mai mama, nana kamana.
Mina. Ua poina ka ʻōlelo ia olua. O ke aloha ke kuleana o
kahi malihini. A ole noi poni.
A ale pela wahi aka maka.
A ka nana I hoa maka.
Lava. Ua eha nei pepe au I ka uhi. A au hea olua e ka umau keiki kāne. E ka lai o ka ahi kana nā hea halakau.
You know au ke o ko mai nei I ko make. E lo a ke ka la e ola ai ka ohana.
O ka aina ke ola I kākou, mea ole ke kā la.
Oi no mama, ua haiki ko lako I kena I ka pū kā la o ke au puni.
Oia no, pehea ka oe kai mana I ka lei koko ula.
E hoko ia ko Hoʻoilina ma o ka halau ike, e ao ia ka lahu I kau mea I ao mi.
Ua haiki puho I ko I kena ke kahi, pehea ka uma o puna I mua o. Ua inu ka oe mai ke po o vai o ka ike o nā kupuna. A e no oe ke pani mai nei, e malo oe ke ialo I kalo. No o lua, ua nana vale ia kanu ua ka moemoea. A ole I nana ia ke ala hele o mua pono o ka wāwai. A ole ane I nā keiki kāne.
Pololei, e hui kala mai.
Mai noi kala ia, u he wahi lapu ke ia. E noi kala I ka oko me ai hana ino aku nei.
Please forgive us, Lili.
He aha Hawaiʻi.
We'll make sure you're equally cared for as we are.
Pehea ka oe kai mana.
Kala mai Lili. In my quest to revitalize and renormalize ʻōlelo, I have hypocritically weaponized my own ʻōlelo as a means to gatekeep inherited knowledge and status while simultaneously invalidating your own claim to indigeneity.
Whoa, Kaimana, you just spoke English, and I still have no idea what the heck you're saying.
Rather than uniting us in solidarity within shared experience of survivance, this type of relationality enables foreign hierarchies that separate Kanaka based on privilege and access. This, in turn, enables a toxic cycle of quantifying one another as more or less Hawaiian as a means to feed our addiction for acceptance from the same colonial system that seeks to erase us. What? Just because I refuse English doesn't mean I can't theorize in it.
E kolo ana no ke ewe I ke ewe ea. A oia, ua pau ka uhana ahui ho kako.
Wait, Mrs. Ellis?
Ooh.
You might not recognize me, but it's me, Lily Lay, your granddaughter. I just want to say thank you for everything, and also, I'm sorry if I didn't turn out like you think I would. You got a granddaughter who don't know who she is or where she belongs. Fitting for a Texas girl, right? Texas ain't southern enough. It ain't western enough. It's just Texas. Same goes for me, I guess. I'm not white enough. I'm not Hawaiian enough. I'm just Lily Lay. But you know what? I may not have learned who I am coming from you, but I'm happy this family did. So now I'm going to go out there and learn who I am and make you proud. So mahalo. You know, for a ghost, you're kind of warm and firm. Oh, okay. All right.
Princess Lily Lay, I can't walk. I can. No, Ma. No, Jennifer's body. Keep up with this Hannah Montana out of here, so I can have you instead.
Okay, have we reached any decisions yet? Oh, who's this?
No, don't move. It's Ma's ghost, just like she said in the will. Now she's trying to possess Lily Lay.
Quick, Kaleo Kalorable, tell her. Maybe she can clean house spiritually too.
Right, now look who's trying to prank who, folks. Come on. Oh, hey, Danny.
Danny?
Trick or treat. Come on. You didn't know?
How'd you know?
Yeah, how you know? Because I saw him sewing up the holoku on my way to the lua.
Wait, so why was Lily Lay screaming?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Auntie Danny told me to do that to scare all of y'all.
Hey, I knew something was off. Ma would never pair that dress with that papale.
Oi, girl, that was you. I never knew you could ipre ōlelo scale of that.
Eat it up, Kulanui. Eat her up.
Wait, so all of this was for nothing?
A'ole ua mua kaka ke ala hele no kako. Oia ka halau ike.
So, we decided on going with Kaimana's school idea.
No, that was when he thought Ma's ghost was going to give us cracks. It doesn't count.
Kaimana, would you mind telling me more about this school?
We've already been through this.
Well, we let him talk, baby.
What's the point? He refuses to speak English, so she's not going to understand him. I don't.
Hey, I can translate for you if you guys don't cut me off this time.
Great. Enabling ōlelo elitist at its finest.
Kalai.
It's fine.
Kaimana.
Ina peine ko ai ko mama make peine ho ana no. You want to do right by Ma? Keep this place and make it a knowledge center. A school for Hawaiians to come and learn who they are.
Learn who they are. They already have koko, lava kela.
A'ole, kapua haumia ke koko. O ka iwi ke Hawaiʻi ai kako. O e ke pili ai kako i ki a aina.
Holole, babes. Coco was stained, but Evie, she remains.
Ooh.
Like that, yeah.
Oh, my kaika.
Polole anake, Coco doesn't teach Loina. You learn how to be Hawaiian, like we all did with Ma.
Learn how to be Hawaiian, but who can teach something like that?
Our ohana, anake Noe, with Mele, and Hana no Eo. Anake Nane with Hula, and Anake Danny with Mea Ai. Oh, we can even make a program for our Lahui Māhū.
Mahui.
Oh, Mahui.
Sakamai.
My kai. I can continue and do the mahi ai and the ōlelo, and Kalai can cover and teach the business side.
Oh, that'd be good for you, baby.
Ma taught us what we know, so it is our kuleana to teach the lahui. That includes you, Lilile. We're going to all help you learn, just like if Ma was here for teach you.
Oh, pa'i lima.
Oh, hey.
No ka me e ho ka lahui. What's next? Ho'i
Kalai.
How are you going to sustain this idea? You're going to charge people to learn their own culture? Hu, ka vai vai o ka ha'awi papa he nalu.
A ōlelo, ua manuahi no ka lehu.
He hona I ka pepe a he wahi hone vale no. How are you going to pay for the kumu? The materials? The upkeep of this place alone is ridiculous.
We can figure them out.
You're on his side.
We're not on anybody's side, Kalai. We just think it would be a good idea to keep this place, turn them into something good for everybody.
Waha ia o hale moi moia. Ke muki ki ne na kipi lena I ka vai pua o ka manawa lea.
Ai, ho I ka mua kaniawa po kau I ka haka.
E no vau ke alaka ine, ke I o hana ilike me mama, since none of you ready for our mo ke la kuleana.
Really? You're just ready.
Ui, kalama. If you think you're ready for lead this ohana, raise your hand.
You should raise your hand too.
Wow. I never knew you all were so delusional. Put your hand up. You're not ready. Talk about it. You can't even do your own damn tax. And you cannot try to do your pivoties every time you got it. Please tell me about it. Let me see you wash your hands. Please tell me about it. Talk about
Goodness gracious. I swear y'all could start a fight in an empty house. It's like dancing in the hog trough up in here.
Hog trough? How she know about the bathroom at in-betweens?
In between what now?
Nothing. What you talking about, Tita?
What I'm saying is, y'all are so stuck on getting your own way that you can't hear the other person hollering the same exact thing.
Right. Right. So what is it exactly that they're saying?
That ma like us huli kalima I lalo and give back.
Oh, vai ka oe ōlelo nona.
Kana keiki ho'o kamai like no alike me oi.
Nane.
Wanoi ia ke kupale ana ia oi ai ia I hovau ki hana nei pēla. Noi. Ka ko o nui mau ia kaimana. Ai aho oi hana pu. Ua haawi ia ke ia hale no kahi kumu. E haawi lilo ka vai vai e ola I ka lahu.
And giving this land away not going to do nothing for us or the lahui.
Oh yeah. Mahea ka la hui ke ia manawa. Where the hell they been at this whole time? You expect us to sacrifice ourselves so random people get all of Ma's ike? Exactly. I tired already. We selling this hale. With that kala, we buy our own aina. Malaila kapono.
Anake, a ohe pepa iki e lava I ka pono ki ia aina.
Lava.
A ole makoa e mina mina. I ka pu'u kala o ke au puni. Ua lava mako I ka pohaku.
Ka ai ka maha o ka aina.
Oh, wow. That was just sweetness and light. So what the heck just happened?
Oh, kala mai lilile, mai leo nahe just want to my itate into some common sense.
I never said I on board just yet. Kai mana, e holo mua me ka vehevehena. Pehea kako e ola pono ai me ka ole o ka ukuia.
Maka oi I o a ole no I maupopo. A ole ki kala ka upohupu oi na e ka ho'ola lahui.
It's always no ka lahui ke ia, no ka lahui ke la. Ākea is right. What has the lahui done for us? Why should we give them Ma's place if we don't even know if the people will show up?
No ka mea he mauhana nui koe e ho'ola ai ka Hawaiʻi. Ina he I nea ko ke kai Hawaiʻi, he I nea ko kako Hawaiʻi a pau.
No. Ma got us here on her own. Maoka hana nui. The lahui can do that too. Whether we like it or not, this is America now. And the only way to win their game is to put your head down and come out.
A ōlelo, oe ke ano alamihi pākeke. He ala he lehoa e ko kako. E ka huli ke la pākeke malihini. E huli ke alo I luna, ai ike I ana nā poki e inu mau ana I ka vai ava.
That may work for you, Kamehameha VIII, but I'm not going to give up financial stability for your Kanaka savior complex.
And me koma na oe ho'o kamakama ka aina no ke kāla ka malihini. Ua haa heo o mai a oe.
Okay, looks like we won't be reaching any collective decisions anytime soon.
Hey, wait a second. Collective. That's it. Why don't we just put y'all's ideas together?
Huh?
Y'all heard me right. Does it have to be just one way, pick one answer, and the rest are no good?
In this case, yes. You can't sell, rent, and keep the property for a school.
I know that. Right now it all sounds so contrary that it just floats upstream, but there's got to be a middle ground to all of this. We're living proof of that.
What you mean, Tita?
What I'm saying is, clearly we're different people with different thoughts. But that's where we keep getting stuck in the mud. We keep thinking our differences are like borders or something, hard lines that separate us. But borders are also places that connect things together, even if they're really different. Like the horizon. What's the Hawaiian word for that?
Halavai.
Halavai. Mahalo. Does it mean anything else?
To me.
Really? Well, hey, that kind of makes sense. It's the line where the sky and the sea meet.
No, tell me you're going to break out into a Moana musical number right now.
No. What I'm saying is that we have our own halavai right here in our pockets. What is this?
A card?
Yes. But is that all it is? What does it mean to you? What is the most important thing Mrs. Ellis gave to you? Well, all right. Well, what's the most important thing she taught you how to be Hawaiian? Any takers? Okay, guess not.
Noi. Ho'a'o! No, mama.
Mo'oku'oho.
Mo'oku'oho. Can you explain that to me, Auntie Noe?
You see the hau tree on the lanai? Ma said that's mo'oku'oho. Mo'o, a succession, ku'oho, branches of hau. Look at the branches, what do you see?
They're all tangled up and hard to separate.
Exactly. Mo'oku'oho isn't just birth ties in straight lines, it's who you learn from, who you teach, who you keep close. That's why it's like those branches. They grow all over each other until they're all pa'a, hard to separate. Ma said, Ākea la kamana'o no la hui. La hui is when those branches carry life from the roots to the leaves. When we connect our kupuna to our pula pula.
That was beautiful. Mahalo for that. How about we go this way, Auntie Nane? What was it that Mrs. Ellis taught you?
ʻōlelo. Ma always had one ha'avina for teach us when she ho'ovala'au I kapo a mekeau. That hau tree was definitely one. Said the same thing about the lauhala. Each Kanaka, some dark, some light, some in between. We all look different, yeah? But when our kupuna weave us together, the pattern starts showing like one pave. And each of us get one function, just as important as the other. Mahalo nui for that. Hoʻoilina.
Mana. Ma taught me how to be strong without huhu or ho'eha. That mana's not about how strong you make yourself feel. It's about how strong you make others feel.
Ike kupuna. Ma was a Hoʻoilina in her va'a. Always knew her direction for us, even in the whipping wind and rain. Constant light corrections, never let it go off too far. Hardly even knew she was back there until she scolded.
E pu'u aua ne I kalai kau o ka wa'u pu'u. I ka ho'opa'a ka ho'akamai.
Pretty? What's it mean?
Hawaiian's not pretty when it's in English.
Try me.
Okay, basically it means don't flaunt your forehead in the air or the rain will make it all bruised and bumpy.
Don't flaunt your forehead up in the... Hey, I like that!
Yeah, it actually does sound like something you'd say.
We say he's so hoity-toity that he broke his arm patting himself on the back. See, we're not that different.
I guess not.
And you, Kaimana?
Ikua. She said in everything you do, you honor the 40 hanauna kupuna that have carried you by carrying the next 40 hanauna after you. We plant la'au so that the next future generation can eat the fruit.
Wow, Mrs. Ellis sure was something, huh?
We.
Oh, what about you, Kaleo?
Me? Oh, well, I can't really think of an all-encompassing word, but I remember having a conversation with her about taking the census this year and how we have over 1 million Kanaka now. I asked her what she thought about that. She just gave her classic smile and said, "Ano, he miliona ka Hawaiʻi, he miliona ka Hawaiʻi ana." 1 million Hawaiians, 1 million ways to be Hawaiian.
1 million ways to be Hawaiian. Well, it looks like we got a few ways right here. But it's just like what y'all said. We're like those tree branches out there. Not one is more important than the other, even if there's 1 million of them. They all serve a function, and they all halavai together in one place. The trunk. What's the Hawaiian word for that?
Kumu.
Kumu, right. A source, a foundation, a teacher. And Mrs. Ellis was that to all of y'all. And this card is our halavai. This is where y'all can come together without fighting for the only seat at the table. Well, heck, if that's the case, then why don't we just build a new one so that everyone has a seat?
So what you're saying is we need to find a solution that incorporates all of what that card means to this ohana.
Right. But then again, our halavai ain't this here card, really. It's just paper. Auntie Noe, what was it you said about being Hawaiian and paper?
That it's not about what's on the paper, it's what you do with it.
Exactly. And that's what we've all been doing, really. Just fighting over paper. These cards, dollar bills, birth certificates, the will. Heck, you name it. It's like, if it ain't on paper, it don't exist. Everyone take out your cards now. Come on. Right, so let's say that we rip our cards in half right now and...
Oh! She's kidding.
Sorry, meant that hypothetically. What I'm saying is, if we don't have these cards anymore, would our ties to Mrs. Ellis just disappear? Without this, she'd still be my grandmother, right? Mrs. Ellis lives on through all of y'all because of her actions, not because you got a piece of paper to show for it. Heck, y'all have the real inheritance, and it got nothing to do with the will. Y'all just named it. That's her legacy. Is there a word for that?
Hoʻoilina.
Hoʻoilina. I like that. So whether you have a card or not, y'all are her Hoʻoilina. It's already there. But now it's about time what y'all do with it. And fighting over a house ain't that. It's time to stop fighting about her Hoʻoilina and start fighting for her Hoʻoilina.
Pehea, you all agree? Work together?
Aye.
All right. Hey, that leads us to the final item. What? Because of this ailike, Mama Ellis left each of you a personal item to remind you of the agreement. Haliahiki.
I wonder what it is. So sweet, Mama. She always thinking about
Okay.
Oh, Marco.
Let's see here. Danny. Noi.
Oh my gosh, it's over.
Oh, mahalo, Mama.
I love her.
Kaimana.
Oh! Haha, he malo! Mahalo, Mama!
Kalai, here's yours.
Oh, malo. Mahalo, mama.
I could have sworn there was one here for you too, Nane.
Oh, so sorry, calamari. I saw you hiding them the other day, and I thought you was looking for my velvet video statue. So I just was ni'ele small kind, and I just had to wear my dress last night at my gig. You should have seen me. Oh, I was so beautiful. Wait. Oh, mahalo, mama. I had no idea.
And here's yours, Lilile.
Really? I get one too?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Mrs. Ellis.
There's a note. Hold on. She said, my ohana will wear these lole when they have collectively decided what to do with my vaivai. If you'd like to see their decision, you'll have to watch the story again in a month when we stream the film version online. Super cryptic instructions, guys. I really can't make heads or tails of this. Oh, hey, wait. There's one item left. One last note. Here. Lilile, I think you should read it.
You sure? I can read them.
Nane, that's for Lilile.
Okay. You're right.
Lastly, I devise and bequeath my most beloved picture of my mo'opuna. Mo'opuna to Hele Lililehua Mai Kalani Hawthorne. Well, ain't that sweet? I guess we'll see it when we find that box sooner or
There's
later.
more. Keep reading, please.
To my mo'opuna, this picture of you smiling on my lap may not mean much to you, but please know it means everything to me. Have y'all seen that picture she was talking about?
Yes. Well, you all have. Every day.
Really? But I thought she made Auntie Danny throw away all her stuff.
Almost everything. Ma's been looking down at us this entire time. Try look up.
Oh, ain't that sweet? Yes, she's in heaven now. Howdy, Mrs. Ellis.
No, Mary. I mean, look at the staircase.
Wait, that baby is...
Me? Hey, I thought she looked familiar.
Huh? Ēka evidence la no oko. So what you guys got for say after all that kind of action?
We never knew you was in the ohana like that. Oh, we very protective of Ma. Get plenty people try for hana ino her because of her wealth. E hui kalamai.
Wakalaia.
Oh.
Did I get it right this time?
Yes, look her, she learning.
She get him. She get him.
Mama not here. So for ho'oponopono all this, I couldn't be your mara. Your drag mara, that is. My kahale puala ni mai. We have Miss Puting by day and Miss Choo-Choo Shields by night.
Hey, that sounds like fun. I'll be there with bells on.
And we'll teach you everything Ma taught us.
Mahalo, fellas.
Noi? Noi?
Noi? No mama keia.
Awe ku mama e. Polole. Kalamai lilile. I will teach you how to become the wahine you want to be. Just like Mama did with me.
Oh, Auntie Noe, thank you. This means a lot coming from you. All right, y'all, are we really doing this? Working together as an ohana?
Aye.
All right. Up and Adam, Oh, sorry. Texas thing, can't help it. Can I have a hug?
So Mary, don't do that with the
Bad idea. Welcome home, he lady dile hua mai kalani, hua ho'i kapiko.
Noi, I devise and bequeath my Miss Aloha Hula moment chiapo. But just this once, kid. Hey, girl, you gotta show me how you do that.
What?
Make Akamai play these songs without saying nothing. How you pull that off?
Was it me?
What?
Eh, hui kako makua. Hula pu, no mama. Nana mai.
Oh
Aloha. Aloha no e ku mama e ku hoa o ka ipuku kui pio ole. Ua kui ia mako I lei ho kahi. E lei mauai o Lēʻahi kahi e hi Aloha no e ku mama e ku hoa o ka ipuku kui pio ole. Ua kui ia mako I lei ho kahi. E lei mauai o Lēʻahi kahi e hi
Waipuna lau ke aloha e nā poki e inu mau aku ana I ka wai awa. O wau o kaimana I ka lei koko ulu eles, a he wahi mahalo ke ia I nā kua, nā o mā kua me nā kupuna I ka ho a koa ana mai a kako I kiela. A he wahi mahalo noho I ke ia o kou pākahi apau I ka hele ana mai I nei kula I ho ola ia I ka maoli o ka poe Hawaiʻi, ma o ka ōlelo, ka mo'o meheu, nā loina ku'una, a me ka mālama ana aku I ka hoʻoilina o nā kupuna. No o kou nei hale, a maulu aku. E komo mai.
Kalamai kalohi. Nui ino ka hana makamala I ke iela. Velo o vaho ea. What? Does this mala make me look fat? Look, I'm trying to get body by Aina, but it's hard to work off all those years of body by IMAC, okay? Oh. Uoho ea mai ka papa. Kalamai. Oh, kalamai. Aloha kako. O vau o kalai o ka ahi kanana Ellis. He olu nui no ko kako launa ana. Let's get outside and learn how to malama Aina. Just like Ma always said.
Aia ka pono ko ho'ohuli kalima I lalo.
A'ole o ka ho'ohuli I luna. This guy reminded me of that when I needed it the most. E hana pu kako.
My pretty flower.
Aloha no kako e ku Māhū. Oh, come on. I know you can eat scruggas louder than that, Mary. I seen you scrapping the kind at Scarlet between sets. E ku Māhū e. Aloha no kako. That's better. You all know her as Nane, but the inoa piha is Nane e papakau I ka ena. Of the o'ahu ena's okay. Velina mai I ka halau ike. A me ka hale moi ya Māhū program, where every Māhū learns how to take their tea and brew her into a reality, okay? Okay. No ke iala. I malihini ku I ka vāna ka papa. No e hele mai. O vaila keia, you're going to ask as well, you may. Mai ka pō mai, ua noho o pualani platinum ya Jason Momoa. A wahana ia o ka udrag tita, o ia hoi o Miss Sierra Noe. She just like the Kolowaka ea, because every time she open up her mouth, get all kind of mist that spray from her hair out me. Ke Miss Sierra Noe, now no ka papa. Show us how to make one holoku.
Aloha mai kako. O wau o ke kapa noi lena o ka wahine hi olani, but noi is fine. Kala mai, Auntie P, was it? Can you remind us what's that short for again? Was it Auntie Pilo? Auntie P ka amo o Auntie P ka amo ea. Okay. Ano ai me ke aloha e ka Māhū. Okay, ke ia la ua lawe mai wau I ke kahi mea ono I ka maka a he pū kono noia. E ka leo olau niu, hele mai.
Ay, look her. She's eating it up.
Oh, you wanted fish, so ua lawe mai la ka uulua ke kahi.
Okay.
A hui ho no ka aina ahi ahi, hole hiku.
Hola e ono.
Oh, Naka eleu miki miki ka lave lilo.
Okay, lava. Enough of that.
Oia. Eia ku uholo ku puna hele o ku makua hine aloha. E na o koe humu humu a he shmio mai hoi kau. Ya o ko pakahi. Nane, hele mai.
Hikino.
Okay. Awe no hoi e wahi aka ike ea. A ole kohu iki ke ia holoku ike ia kino. A ole ane. That's another reason why her name is Auntie P. She's so pupule, she's trying to convince everybody that Portuguese sausage body look like one little smoky. Aloha ino. But you learn from me, mai anapela, a he shua maoli no. E ho o maka kako.
Aloha mai kako. O Vau, o Danny, but Ma just calls me Kaluhi o Keahi o Kane Loa. Like that, yeah. Okay, so pene I hoe ho o makau ia I ka imu, yeah? Mai hila ea, I never learned this before either. Okay, so just pretend we get ea kapulu a me kala'au, and these buggers, they're gonna make one little hale in the middle. Next, everybody can grab one pohaku a kaua puni o kala'au, yeah? Papa Ellis always said, let the pohaku tell you where they like go. So ho'olohe pono, yeah? Just grab the rock like so. Oya. Now put them where they like go, okay? Tita over there, you talking to the pohaku a little too long. Last time I checked, Pele not Portuguese, so time for hang up. Oh, I think I hear the ohana. 1 second. Come on.
Eia I hova ukau mo o puna, ko le papahi ke kulua I maka, haina ia mai ana kapuana, o Lēʻahi kaua lili le hua Eia I hova ukau mo o puna, ko le papahi ke kulua I maka, haina ia mai ana kapuana, o Lēʻahi kaua lili le hua Mahalo tutu. No na mea a pau kau I ha'awi mai a iaʻune. Mahalo. All right, y'all. He pa'i wiki o kako me ka haumana mua lo o ne kula.
Wait, try wait. You're never gonna believe what I just went and find. Ma's box.
Not this again.
No, I know. Laura Patalo, when Choris, she probably thought was Nani's other own pagazaks bagas, so she went throw him into the kind of closet. So.
Oh, that's why my other one would end up in an Araski Oxbear. Oh, that chick, she can clean jerk with those calves, but no can clean a house, that.
Yeah, you can finally prove once and for all that you're legit.
You know what? Y'all can keep it. I don't need to see that to know who my ohana is. Tutu gave me all the evidence I need, and I'm with y'all right now. And that's all she wrote.
Polole no oe, Mama Ellis. E kolo ana no ke eve I ke eve.
Kaleo, Vicky. Yeah. Oh, he's so lohi, he could gain weight walking. Polole ea.
Aye, polole, now you're getting it.
And no, act lily list, they're trying one sup to the dogs. You wouldn't know one bit from one butt.
no squat on them spurs when by you get all hit up about them.
Mākū on a good day, and you can hang your papali on there.
Daggone it, y'all's PDA is as welcome as one outhouse Makani.
And it's hema as putting socks on mokani.
Hey, mai lili o lua. Pelana ke ano mika koko ulua kupono. It's like riding a gravy train with biscuit wheels.
Hui, kako, e kumakahi kupono, e like me kai ho o maa ia ea. No mama ke ia. Pali ke kua, mahina ke alo.
Hey, ma kau ka mikini ho o paiki.
Oya. Okay. Waka waka malichini, Ellis Ohana style.
Wait, not that again. E kala mai no ko'una opo. I was all hat, no cattle.
Ohe me e kala ia. Oh, Ma would have loved that. Okay, waka waka malichini on e kahi. Makaukau?
Aye.
E kolu, e lua, e kahi.
Waka waka malichini.
Pa!
Heavenly Waikiki.
she twice the fruit of her labor. Oh, but she's always keeping in time to the beat of her tabor. A passive witness to a well-run drive. She looks to heaven, don't question why. And all her dreams would fill it full. The lessons of love is not taught in school. She bends when the wind and can mend your broken soul. Maybe a mother, sister, or wife. There is no other stream of life. And he loves tree of her sweet disposition, tree of and sometimes baffled by tree of life. This old woman's intuition. Cause it don't matter that the wells run dry. He'll build another, no questions why. For his tree of life, his tree of and the seed must die before it grows to come to its fruition.